record in just a moment.
Recording in progress.
Okay, we're good to go.
Recording in progress.
Okay, we're good to go.
Recording in progress.
Okay, we're good to go. I see YouTube is up.
YouTube's up.
TikTok is up.
Thank you.
LinkedIn's up.
Thank you.
Oh, why do I have that app on my phone? I don't need them anymore. I'm retired.
Oh, I know, right? LinkedIn drives me insane. I try to avoid that thing like the plague.
I don't even look at it.
I
other than just
cannot
feeds up.
stand LinkedIn. All right. Hey, if you guys like it, that's great. Me, no likey. All right, good deal. There we go. I see us on all the things. Nice. Real quick, I want to thank all my moderators. Let me make sure my TikTok's up. Yep, I see it. Good morning, everybody over on TikTok. As usual, if we get to today 350 concurrent viewers or 50,000 likes, we will do a giveaway. So do me a favor, if you guys are watching on TikTok, make sure you click that follow. If you're watching on YouTube, click subscribe. If you do me a favor, go over to X, the old Twitter, and type in something great about what you've learned at American Dream Trading. Make sure to tag me at ADT Coach. That way I can see it. If you do not tag me, I will not see it. And of course, I will retweet that out. So again, follow and subscribe on all the things. Right now, we're at 13,400 subscribers over on YouTube. We'd like to get that up to 15,000 is our next goal. So I appreciate all of you guys working towards the goal with us by sharing out our information, liking, commenting, hitting the notification bell when you're alerted when new videos and when we go live are available. It's Friday. I hope you guys are excited and ready to rock and roll. Just remember, that's Options Friday. It's going to be a little bit more volatile today, so make sure you guys are prepared and ready to do that. Make sure you guys follow all the rules. Don't be silly. Thank you to Bruno, Dawn, Miranda, Unhappily Housewife, Eric's Moto, David, Mark, Government Cheese, Palm Coast, Ange, Richard, Doug, Bucko, Chris, Media Team, Ed, and Nick, and our TikTok mods, Gilly and Diesel Dan. Thank you to all my military family, anybody that's serving or that has served. Thank you so much. We honor and respect you every single day. Huge shout out, of course, to my son. Appreciate you, buddy, in the Air Force now over 8 years. Thank you to all my first responders, firefighters, police officers, teachers, doctors, nurses, and everybody with me. All my truck drivers around the world. There it is. Thank you. I may or may not have thrown in a little audio clip for that moment just to make sure we had it. Real quick, just to let you guys know, did you catch it, Don? Did you hear a little bit of the static feedback? Because it's picking up off of a live thing. Somebody recorded a trucker honking horn. I was like, yeah. I just want to make sure it's in there on this high budget production we've got going on over here. We do have a couple of diamond memberships available. Just so you know, this will be your last chance. I'm sure they will be gone today, but I think we have 3 to 5 of those left. So today only, if you want to get this, again, it's $10,000 lifetime, everything we have, including what we have now. So all of our membership services and any membership services in the future. I cannot stress what a value this is. And I still keep getting people, but coach, but I have a gold or I have a regular lifetime. This is a $50,000 value you're getting for 10 grand. That is the deal. And I've already compensated and I already understand if you've spent money with us. At $20,000, I had already compensated all of that. It's already in there. Listen, my mentorship, just the mentorship, which is included, that's $6,000 a year. I'm including it. We don't even have a mentorship lifetime program. Just so if you just the mentorship is almost the cost of the sales price I have for the entire lifetime, everything forever. So I hope that makes sense. It's because everybody keeps, well, coach, but I know. That's why I've made it so extremely cheap at $20,000. And now it's 10. So you guys have, there are a couple left. I will count them down as we go today. This is the end of that sale. Thank you guys for everybody that got one of those. Who got the Diamond Lifetime memberships? Open your mic. Let the world know.
I got one.
Thank you.
I got one.
Thank you. Come on. I know we sold about
I got one.
15. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.
Keep right here, coach.
Thank you. Yeah, I think, Derek, you were one of the first ones, weren't you, D-Rock?
Yes, sir.
Appreciate you. So listen, you're ready to change your life? Now might be a great day to do it. Now, like, you don't listen, not everybody I understand is going to be able to afford the diamond, so don't worry about that. But I've got regular premium membership starting at $125 a month. VIP is $500 a month. VIP Gold add-on is $250 a month. We have mentorship classes, $500 a month. We have workshop classes that are inside of all of those. Listen, we have something for everyone, right? There's literally something for everyone. It should fit any budget, any style you guys want. So if you guys are early birds, VIP. If you're just normal, regular hours and you just want some basic training and to get going and do the things, premium. But I'm telling you, going from a premium to a VIP, you are going to go seriously from crawling to sprinting. I'm not exaggerating. I'm not trying to sell you a product. I'm just telling you there's such a major difference. VIP members are getting 60 hours of training and trading with our other millionaires, mentors, and people in the room. You will not find this anywhere else. No one else does it in our business. I've never heard of it in my life. We're here from 4 a.m. to 4 p.m. How about this? I'll open it up. Check this out. There's 300 people in here. Has anyone ever heard of any other community trading community ever do 12 hours of training per day?
Nope.
Nope.
No way.
Nope, doesn't exist.
No, sir.
Except for us.
I haven't heard of anyone that's training 4 hours a day.
There you go. Exactly. Yeah, exactly. So that's what I'm saying. Listen, this is a unique thing. So if you're like, oh, but you're expensive, we're the best. I'm just going to put it out there, right? We are literally the best, right? So I mean, I will toot that horn all day. I think what we provide here at American Dream Trading is so much more unique and better than everyone else. And that's what we're going to do. We're going to continue to drive that. We're going to continue to be the best. So I appreciate it. Today, by the way, third day in a row, we are ranked number 2 out of 26,000 other companies on our marketplace. By the way, the number 1 spot still hasn't moved. We haven't seen them make a single sale. They have 1 review. We're all calling BS on that. So I think we've been number 1 every day this week, but I got to say 2 because it's showing up 2 on the marketplace. But I'm telling you right now that it hasn't moved. Moderators, have you noticed that? They haven't made a single sale, but yet they're still ranked number 1, and you can't even purchase the product from the site, and they have 1 review, and they just opened up 2 weeks ago. I don't know. Maybe it's just me. Is it just me, moderators? Have you guys noticed that? Anybody?
I saw the discussion, coach, and it seems kind of
Yeah.
stinky to me.
Yeah, it's kind of a little sketch. It's kind of a little sketch, but so I would love to be able to say we're number 1, which I think we are, but whatever. It is what it is. Thank you guys yesterday. Yesterday was one of the best sales days we've ever had at American Dream Trading. So I appreciate it. I think it was like our 3rd highest since we've been doing this for the last 2.5 years. So I appreciate everybody. I told you guys I was going to stay planted in my seat until I hit the goal. I did. We met the goal. Appreciate it. Love your faces. You guys are rock stars. Thank you to all my moderators for handling all the tickets and all the questions and the chaos and all the stuff. And I knew I just threw like crazy flash sales. Hey, that's what I like to do though. I like to get the juices flowing. I like to get people excited. Now you guys, of course, are going to notice there's going to be more people in the futures room. There's going to be more in crypto. By the way, I've beefed up the crypto moderators. We've got more crypto moderators in there. I also threw Gilly in there, one of our TikTok mods. I gave him a year. He's going to be over helping out in crypto as well. So we are beefing up all these different areas so that we can help you guys more every single day. Richard, you got your hand up. Go ahead, partner.
Yes, I just wanted to add on that it is going to be extremely volatile today because the news PMI is at 9:45 instead of the normal 8:30. Consumer sentiment is at 10 and home sales is at 10. So that first half hour is going to be volatile.
Nice.
That's it. Thank you.
Yeah, thank you for letting us know. So 9:45, we're going to look for some movement.
PMI.
Yep, some movement in the market. And then at 10 o'clock, normal shift change anyways. So start watching, right? Bell's going to open at 9:30. We're going to see something change at 9:45 and then again at 10. So, and it's Options Friday, which is always more volatile. So we'll see what we're going to do today. Now, listen, make sure you follow all the rules. Don't go in with a bias. I say that every day, but still some of you, right? Respect what the market is giving you. That's all I'm saying. If it's going up, ride it up. If it's going down, ride it down, right? Trend is your friend until it breaks the trend, but try not to go against the grain unless you see something, a double bottom, double top, something that makes sense. Make sure you guys wait for that beautiful A+ setup. If there is no A+ setup, look at another stock or just don't trade, right? The last 3 days, Apple has just been so choppy, hanging around VWAT, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down. Well, guess what? Maybe it ain't time to trade Apple. Or if you do, you're being extra cautious with it and you're waiting for those A+ setups. Now today, I can see in the pre-market, Apple is starting to move to the upside, but it is so small. It's 0.09%, which means it's going to fight at the open. So we'll see what's going to happen. But again, please just trade the trades. That's what I mean when I say that, by the way. That doesn't mean you get in your own head and you're like, well, I think SPY's going to go up today. Well, good for you, but that's not how you handle that as a trader. It could go up for 2 minutes and then crash the rest of the day. And you're like, well, I guess I was wrong. And you're sitting there losing and bleeding out money and not using any of the rules. And you're like, well, I guess trading's not for me. No, you're just not listening. I tell you every single day, I give you every rule, every strategy for every type of trader. Long-term, swing trading, wheel options, call options, put options, straddles, strangles. We do it all. Shares, options, futures, crypto. There's nothing we don't do in this room. All you need to do, come in, empty your cup, follow the rules, right? And you'll be all right. Thank you guys again over there on TikTok. I see you all. Good morning. I see you all over on YouTube. Hey, what's up, Nick? I see you over on Twitch. Thank you for boosting up Twitch over there. I appreciate that. Yavez, good to see you. F2, nice. Doug, Mark, everybody over on the YouTubes, thank you very much. Speaking of YouTube, don't forget, I'm here every day from 9 to 11, and I'm usually trading stocks, options, sometimes futures. Today, again, I'll be trading through one of the combines. I'm actually having fun and enjoying doing some of that. So I'm doing some prop firm simulated trading, it's been pretty fun, just because I like to mix it up. I like to bounce around between different things. I'm going to be doing these prop firms for a while, though, just to give you guys a heads up. But I will always be calling stocks and options during my 9 to 11 course. You'll just eventually, you'll hear me say ES futures or you'll see me trading it. Well, guess what? If I'm trading ES futures, that's SPY, okay? But I will always in this room be talking about stocks and options with the occasional futures information. So that's me every day from 9 to 11, sometimes till noon. Just depends on what my schedule looks like. And then you'll see Mark in here every day training and trading with futures. And that is every day from 2 to 4 live for all of you on all the social medias and platforms. And then in the afternoon, we have Dawn hosting the aftermarket program where she's talking about things that happen throughout the day. She has a lot of people on the panel where they have different discussions about the stock market and things that they see. Sometimes we get people up there, sometimes our multi-millionaires up there talking about the successes they've had, the things they've learned from American Dream Trading, the psychology of trading, etc. So please make sure you tune in. We are live 3 days a week. How many likes for a giveaway? Says Pashka over on American Dream Trading TikTok. It is 50,000 likes or 350 concurrent viewers. So if you guys want to boost the algorithm, by the way, if you want to get the giveaway, double tap the screen, type in a 1, which the algorithm goes, oh, the people are doing stuff, and then click share. There's a little share button in the bottom right-hand corner. It looks like an arrow. Click that button. The more engagement you guys have, the more that it puts it into people's For Your page, right? So, yeah, the more you guys do that, the more that it will boost the algorithm and the more opportunity you guys will have for giveaways. We've been doing a giveaway. I mean, seriously, out of those giveaways, I bet you on average we've been doing like one a week. So, and that, you know, we're always trying to help the community. Of course, American Dream Trading is built on the foundation of people helping people. And the giveaway is just another way to do that, right? We like to have a lot of fun. So I see everybody over on our Zoom chat. If you guys are just watching and you're not able to open your mics, glad to have all of you here. If you are a paid member, something unique and different about what we do versus everyone else in every community is we have live open mics. So if you are a paid premium, from premium all the way through, you have a live open microphone. Right now, there's 307 people on this Friday morning. I'm sure people are out hanging around. Friday's right going to be some of our slower days. A lot of people don't even like to trade on Fridays. I actually love trading on Fridays because I like the volatility, but you guys will have an open microphone. You can ask questions anytime you want. All I ask is refrain from the first 30 minutes because that is the most volatile time of the day. That is when we're doing a lot of call outs. No, we're not a call out group because we train and educate you. But once you're trained and educated, then you'll understand what to do with the call outs that we do. So that is a huge difference. People call themselves like call out groups. We are training you. Then you will use that information for stocks and options, futures, and crypto that is running, and then we will point you in the right direction of where they're going, right? Or at least what's happening with them. Okay? Huge difference. We're not selling you bots. We are not a call out group. We don't have a Telegram. There is no WhatsApp. We don't, none of that. And if anybody is doing any of that, make sure to block, ban, turn it off, get away from that stuff. Listen, if you guys are trying to follow these, you know, these little kids in the morning, that is, you know, oh, we'll add you to our WhatsApp, Telegram stuff. By the time you get the message, you enter the trade, you're already behind, right? Because we are live and right at the moment. You're already behind. Then by the time they tell you to get out, which they've already gotten out, you're already losing money. They do not work long term. Sure, yeah, one time, you know, if SPY is just continuously running to the upside and they told you, well, get in here. Well, of course, because it didn't do anything else. Now do that on a day that's choppy. You are wrecked, right? So stay away from that garbage. Speaking of garbage, we do not direct message here. We do not send friend requests, none of that. Okay, we won't say, hey, how are you doing today? We'd like to trade for you. We don't do any of that. None of that exists here, okay? So if you guys get a friend request, direct message from like 8 of me, that's not me. I'm not going to talk to you like that. If you need help, just open up a help desk ticket. That's all you need to do. Bruno, by the way, we were looking for the channel for help desk. I mean, we know when we key it in. Where is the channel for help desk? We looked for it the other day and nobody can find it.
Help desk support.
Oh, it's under, here's why. Everybody, it's under ADT community. I was thinking it was under new members start here. My bad.
Yeah, no.
Yeah. Because I never have to go to the channel. I'm always just keying it in. Okay. So if you guys are looking for the help desk, it's literally underneath ADT community and above the stock lounge, which makes sense. Thank you, Bruno.
Yeah, just one ticket, folks. Just one ticket. If
Yes,
you're gold,
please.
use gold. If you're regular, just use the regular. Just one ticket. That's all you need. We see you. Just respond to that. Thanks.
Yep, absolutely. And when you make a ticket, stick around for a minute. We're usually within 5 minutes responding to you. And then we're like, hey, come back. we're trying to respond to you, and then we got to go seek you out, and then we're like messaging one of the channels, come back into the help desk ticket. If you open a ticket, stick around, right? We'll be in there. Just stick around, wait for it to light up or something, but just don't run off, right? All right, it's 9:16. We got about 14 minutes. Let's go over the rules real quick. Make sure you guys follow all the rules when you're in here. Remember, stop losses in each and every trade, small position sizes, which will allow the runners to run and stop out the losers. Do not lose more than 1 to 3% of your total account value in any given day, which on average is going to be about 2%. If you have 2 red trading days in a row, go ahead and take the next month off. You should not be using real money. Speaking of real money, if you're a new trader or while training, you should not be using real money. You should be using a simulated account. Webull has it, and so does some others. Use a simulated account. If you're a new trader, do not trade in the first 30 minutes or the last hour of the day. If you're an advanced trader, you better be careful the first 3 minutes and the last 8 minutes. This is the most volatile time of the day. And again, everything that we do here is for training and education purposes only, not financial tax or investment advice. We're going to have another amazing day. Like I said, we've got a couple of those diamond memberships left. I know you guys are going to take advantage of that because you guys are all extremely intelligent. Yes, you are. Couple stocks that I'm watching right here. I just want to see if we can get any more volume. Oh, that one did not. Hold on. I have one on the radar that I was looking at. Hold on. Let me find it. No, maybe it was that. I think it was that MNDR. I'm going to keep that on my radar today. Just want to see if that has some more pop to it, but we'll see. Yeah, right here from yesterday, it said that they secured a 10 million equity subscription agreement. It's not major news, but the thing is this is a dollar stock, right? It's a penny stock, so we should have some volume. If this gets some volume in here, I like it, of course, above support level, which is around 66 cents. So if you fall below that MNDR below 66 cents, I don't like it. If it stays up above there, absolutely. Make sure if we get any of these super hot runners today that you guys fully understand what it means and how to get in, how to get out, understand the mechanics. Speaking of mechanics, you guys should always have a backup system, right? Always have a backup phone. I always have one next to me or a laptop, a tablet, something. You need a backup system. Think about it. If your internet goes down, if your computer crashes, decides to do some sort of upgrade, you're in the middle of a trade, if you're on your phone making a trade and it reboots, locks up, you don't have any more data, you better have a backup system, right? So with me, what I do is, and I know this is a little bit overkill, but guess what? Sometimes I'm in, I could be in a $250,000, $500,000 trade and I don't want to lose internet, right? That would be silly. So what I'll do is I have multiple cell phone services. So I have T-Mobile and Verizon, so that both of my phones literally next to me are on a different service. So if a service goes down, I have a backup, right? Oh, coach, that's a lot of money. All right, I want you guys to think about this. One of my extra Verizon, I think, is $60 or $80 a month unlimited plan. How much is it going to cost you guys one time on a trade you can't get out of? Right.
More than 60.
Right. Yeah. So if it costs me, if I lose, I don't know, $30,000 on a trade, is it worth it for me to pay $60 a month or $80 a month to have an extra cell phone?
About $700 or $800 a year. I'd say go coach's route.
Yeah. You know what I mean? Exactly. $700 or $800 a year. You're talking about the difference between thousands of dollars typically on a loss if you can't do it. So always right here at ADT, we're always ADT is ABT. Always be thinking. Always, what can you do better? How can you, right? And we want the redundancy. Remember, my entire background is banking and IT. Always have some sort of redundant system. And we need to do the same here. So please make sure. And this brings me to the next point. If you are using your computer and you're like, oh, but I've never traded off my phone, but I'm going to use my phone as a backup, you better learn how to trade on your phone. What happens if you can't get in? You can't get out. The stop doesn't work. Oh, crap, I put this in. I don't know where to go to find it. Guess what you need to do? That's a part of the mechanics. That's a part of I don't get to use real money because I don't know the mechanics yet. You need to understand how the phone works, how the app works, how the desktop works. Oh, crap, the desktop app's not working. How the mobile works, how the web version works. You should know how everything works if you're going to put real money into it. So please understand your mechanics. By the way, I have maintenance is here at the house right now. So if it gets loud, I apologize if you guys hear banging and weird stuff over here. They're running all over the house, taking care of business. Okay. Oh, that reminds me. I'm glad, Danny, I saw your ticket just come up. That reminds me. The other sale, of course, that's going on, if you guys don't want to get the diamond, which would be ridiculous if you didn't. But if you didn't want to, we also have the VIP Gold add-on. Both of those are $3,500 or each. Or if you get the VIP Gold Complete, which is both, that is $6,500 for that. That is a $10,000. So this is the thing, and this is why I'm saying it's such a huge deal. If you guys buy the VIP Gold Complete, that's a $10,000 package, right? Just for that. Just so you know, that's 10 grand. I'm selling the diamond for 10 grand. You'll get crypto, futures, VIP, VIP gold. Then later, futures VIP gold, crypto VIP gold. You guys also get the mentorship and anything else that I create. I cannot stress enough what a deal this is. So do your thing. Take advantage of it. Do it.
Is your next area support any further breakdown? $47.
All right. Thank you, Edward. All right. We've got about 7 minutes to the bell. We've already done our hot stock picks. We've already set up for the pre-market, so everybody knows these key critical areas at the bell and throughout the day. We've already posted our IPOs. Just checking to make sure everything is cool. I see it. Let's go over. So how is crypto right now? Where is all my crypto gang? What's Bitcoin at?
$99K, coach.
There it is. Yep, 99. What is it? 99,145 ish, 175.
99,300 almost.
Yep.
Yeah.
So we're still holding up. We are still holding up, aren't we, gang? So keep an eye on that today. If we see the stock market start to go up, of course, check it out. So those of you that are watching crypto right now, Hex is at 9%. Cake, 1.3%. I'm just calling out some of the larger ones that I see right now. I'm not telling you to buy any of these. I'm just giving you a heads up of where they're at. Those.
And
Coach.
Yep.
Coin, the SEC has dropped its suit against Coin, so there's another one.
Oh, yeah, for sure. Yeah, and that's why, yep, thank you for that. I completely forgot about that. That's why I had that huge pop today. So
Hato's at 86.5%.
Oh, wow, nice. Nice. Yeah, so we'll be keeping an eye on those for sure. But yeah, Coin is 4% right now. Big old blast. So keep an eye on Coin today. Mara, 1.85%. So these are stocks that correlate directly with crypto. So if you guys love crypto, these are the ones you want to be looking at. Riot at 1.72%. Strategy, remember they got renamed from MicroStrategy to Strategy. So MSTR is up 1% today. So keep an eye on all this. A lot of good
Coach,
things.
I don't know if you want, but you
Yeah.
can add IBIT also to our crypto stocks. IBIT, which is BlackRock ETF
Gotcha. Yep. Okay.
for Bitcoin.
Yep.
Yeah.
Will do. Remind me because it'll take me a while to get that into my brain.
No
that
problem.
that will say it.
problem.
Yep. But we'll definitely add it. So IBIT, IBIT. Yep. Thank you. I want to see what Rivian is doing today. Rivian, by the way, for the first time, and it's down 7.5%, of course. Oh, that's right, because they said that they don't anticipate as many sales in 2025 as 2024. Big news on Rivian, though, is that they were profitable for the first time ever at 140 or 175 million fourth quarter 2024, which is good because if you guys know, Rivian was losing $70,000 per vehicle. So every vehicle that was made, they were losing $70,000. So they are now profitable, which is great. Why do I keep an eye on it? Because I own a Rivian, right? I don't want them to go belly up. I want them to stick around. I think it's an absolutely amazing vehicle. But anyways, so that's some of the big news that's going on right now. Don't forget, again, at 9:45, we're going to have PMI, which is typically at 10, but it's going to be early. Thank you for that information, Richard. And at 10 o'clock, of course, we've got other information, but 10 o'clock is always going to be volatile. Anyways, that's where, our shift change, more volume comes pouring in. So we are now 3 minutes to the bell. Remember, in the first 30 minutes, it's going to be extremely hectic, very volatile. We'll see what happens. Everybody be cool. Please hold off on any regular questions until after 10 o'clock. If you have an emergency, though, say, Coach, I have an emergency. You do not need to raise your hand. Just say, Coach, I have an emergency. I'll shut the whole show down. We'll take care of you. If you're paper trading, that's not an emergency, okay? You can save that till after 10 o'clock. Let's see. Somebody was asking about XRP. Let me take a look. Anybody have XRP up in front of you?
I do, Coach.
Yeah, it's 268.
Yep, that's what I got. 269. Okay, thank you.
Yep, hit 272 at about 8:30 this morning. So.
Oh, nice. Okay. All right. So
Yeah,
I know
2-minute uptrend.
Thank you. I know everybody's kind of keeping an eye on XRP with all the latest and greatest news and information. So remember, if you guys are interested in that, we have a huge deal going on over there in crypto, by the way. We know that that base is being built, so we appreciate the understanding of while we're building it. This is why, though, you guys are only being charged $500 for a whole year instead of $500 a month. So it's $500 for the year for crypto, or $1,500 lifetime right now. So if you guys are like, oh, we don't have a ton going on in crypto, we're building it. And guess what? Guess what happens the second it's built and it's all up and running? What do you guys think is going to happen to my pricing structure? Yup. Right? It's going to go to where it's supposed to be. So again, if you guys are trying to take advantage of some of these sales, get in there, get grandfathered in on some of these ridiculous sales, right? Okay, good. Now remember, the 500 is only for the first year. That is not a grandfathered price for crypto. That's the first year. Again, it's because we are building the system. So bear with me. Moderators, do me a favor. Let me know when a diamond membership is sold. Those are the keys, the key elements we're going to be looking for today to make sure that happens. 30 seconds to the bell. 30 seconds to the bell. Oh, good. I see a lot of people have posted over on X. Thank you. Thank you. I see you all. I'm retweeting everybody now. Thank you, Christina. Bucko 507 or 504. I'm sorry. Thank you, Jamie. There's our own Mark. Thank you. I see you all over there. Thank you. Thank you to the 4 people that listen to me. All right, here we go. The bell has rang. Nobody go rogue today. Let's rock and roll. Watching SPY right here on a pullback. Don't forget, we got a lot of crazy news coming out today, so everybody be cool. Tesla's to the downside. So is SPY. So are the Qs. Everything is flushing out. Oh, yeah. SPY and ES futures pulling hard here. It's down 0.1%. Thank you.
Order filled.
That's SPY and ES futures flushing out. Like big time. SPY did flip from green to red. Remember to call out any 2-minute EWOs, hopefully on the first indicator, so we can get it early. SPY is fighting this major level here at 609.70. We'll see if this can break through or if it's going to pop back to the upside.
Apple on first screen.
Thank
Order
you.
filled.
Thank you. I'm going to take some money right here. Just made $333 in the prop firm simulated account. It's not real that I'm trading over there today. So when you hear it, SPY again, looking for a bounce here at 609.50, but still super heavy. If it pulls below that, I'm going to re-enter to the downside.
AMD to the outside.
Thank you. Apple is in its second 2-minute EWO, but it needs to break this 246.50 level. Let me mute those mics. I got it. SPY again, trying to bounce. 609.50. I will be watching for that. See what it's going to do.
New high day above pre-market level.
Meta new high a day. Broke pre-market. Everybody here. There goes Apple. There we go. Apple. Nice. Apple looking good.
We got a break and hold on Apple. It's breaking, but
Yep.
with a hold.
Yep. But you are in a 2-minute EWO. Just please make sure,
Yep.
right?
Yep.
Please make sure you get confirmation above that 246.50 before you guys enter, right?
And it is Options Friday.
And it's Options Friday with, in 12 minutes, a major news event's going to happen. SPY heavy here again.
Order filled.
Yes, 5 contracts out.
Nice job.
Wow.
Yep, SPY right here again. We want to see the break below 609.50. Just be patient. Patience is everything today.
Order
Stock
filled.
peak NAAS moving up.
Thank you. I see Apple is stair-stepping now to the upside. You're in your third 2-minute EWO. SPY and ES futures still pulling to the downside.
Order filled.
See if we can get more of a pull here on SPY. Buying in small here on SPY to see if I can get a pull. If it does pull below the 609.50 on SPY, I will add.
Amazon testing support at 221.75.
Thank you.
Carvana from yesterday is pulling again today, down almost 3%.
All right, thank you. Apple breaking above that 246.50 now, getting a nice move to the upside there. Congratulations, 2-minute EWO riders. Now you can take that sigh of relief, right? You're like, doesn't mean it's going to stay up there, but at least it's looking good for now, right? Good job. Good job. I'm going to put my stop just above the 9 on SPY with small contracts. Go ahead.
NVIDIA, big green candle to the upside.
Thank you.
Order filled.
I'm going to add a little bit more here to the downside now on this tappy tap.
Google is on the double bottom.
Thank you.
Apple just watched for a double top from yesterday, 246.75,
Order filled.
Thank you.
as David pointed out.
Order filled.
Oh, yeah, there goes SPY.
There you go.
Order filled.
Oh, there it goes.
Order filled.
Gold line at 609.
Order filled.
Nice. Just made $1,833. Nice. SPY pulled below that 609.50. Isn't that where I said I would buy puts, ladies and gentlemen?
Everything is flushing right now.
Is that a yes? Did anybody else
Yes.
look at that key area?
Yes, sir.
Big 7 pullings.
Yep, thank you. Oh, that's beautiful. Look at that. Wow.
Order filled.
Wow.
Order filled.
Just took another 400. Nice, nice. Next major level of support is 608.73. Down to 608.50. SPY, let's see, 608.88. Had some buyers come in. Waiting now. Waiting patiently for the next setup. News in 7 minutes. Major news in 7 minutes.
Get daddy, yes.
What is Mark doing over there?
Mark's eating cookies over
He
there.
is going crazy. He's losing it.
He's trading on the toilet.
He is. He's, yeah.
Order filled.
SPY still heavy. .22% here on SPY to the downside. Apple also pulling. Apple now below VWAP. Six minutes to news. 6 minutes to news.
Order filled.
6
Do
minutes
we
to
ask
news.
what the news is about?
It's PMI.
Oh, thank you, sir.
Yep, yep. Adding
Order filled.
to the downside on SPY, in case you're wondering what I'm doing. I'm just looking, I'm hovering around this area right here with it. Holding 9 contracts. Closer it gets to news, I'll get out.
Coach OSRH is halted up.
All right, on halt time.
943.25.
Thank you. SPY still hovering right here.
Yeah, 609 is support right now.
Yep, yep, I see it.
And Apple's on fighting the green to red.
Yeah, it is. Apple's heavy. Apple's real heavy.
Oh, Microsoft new lower day below pre-market level.
Thank you. 4 minutes to news. 4 minutes to news.
Apple's about to get a ready vote pretty soon.
It's working on it, isn't it?
Yeah. This whole week's just up and
Order
down.
filled.
I'm shedding some here now on those contracts.
Order filled.
3 left.
It's on a quarter hour, coach, not at the whole hour.
Yeah, they changed it today. That's why it's
Okay.
weird. Yeah.
Yeah, that's weird. Okay.
Yep, very weird. That's why I said be careful because we got
Order
3.
filled.
Oh, that just got stopped out. Up $2,066.50. Nice. Nice, Mark. Apple down there fighting on that 200 now.
And Apple is on the first red at EW.
All right, thank you.
Carvana continues to pull.
Thank you. Now, you guys know what I'm probably going to do for this news situation, right?
When in doubt,
I just did it. I'm gonna have it strangle.
Yep. Yep.
Just did it.
Get out of my computer, coach.
Yep. Everybody be cool. We've got now 2 minutes, 20 seconds. I'm out of all trades right now. I'm just waiting for it to get closer. Now, last time this news event happened, you guys remember seeing what I did, and I made like $9,000 in 20 seconds. Have your stop in place. If it goes in your favor, payday. If not, you're out, right? And when in doubt, do what?
Sit on your hands.
Straddle it out.
Straddle it out.
Or sit on your hands.
Don't touch that mouse.
Yeah, everybody be cool. We are getting closer. I'm not in a trade yet.
I only bought one each way until I know which way it goes, then I'll.
Yep.
Yeah.
Good job. 1 minute, 10 seconds to news information. Ooh, this is a good spot right here. Tell you what, the way this market is, you get bad news, this thing is going to tank. You hear me?
More than it already has?
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. If you get bad news, this market is going to get destroyed, and I'm all for it.
Because we do what we do what, coach? We go up and down.
That's right. Here we go. 25 seconds.
Call it out, Marky Mark.
Can feel it in my plums.
Watch SPY, you'll see it probably faster than what the news will pop
Oh,
up.
yeah. We'll see it way before news comes out. 10 seconds, ladies and gentlemen. Going small, have your stop, know what to do. If you don't know what you're doing, do not trade right now.
Waiting on it to pop up. SPY ain't reacting.
Yeah, it's tons of volume, though. I mean, a ton of volume right here.
Order filled.
Still don't have it. Anybody else got it?
Nope, but it's popping to the upside, so we'll see here in a second.
Or wait.
I've got to stop in place in case it decides.
Order filled.
Yep, and it just, I was to say, decides to pull back.
It's a hair higher.
Hair higher. Okay, thank you.
It's lower globally. It's actually lower overall.
All right, thank
lower
you.
Overall.
So negative for the market?
No reaction to the market yet. None.
It's above 50. 50 is the magic number. As long as it stays above 50, markets like that, it's the magic number. 50 and above indicates good news. Even though it dropped, it's still above 50, 50.4.
Yeah, there's zero market
Nothing
reaction.
burger.
Yep, zero market
Nothing
reaction.
burger.
Nothing burger, as
Yep.
we say.
Yep. which means I'm going to slam this to the downside in a second.
I'm sitting there waiting on this. I'm waiting
Yeah,
for
I'm just waiting because
611A.
if it does something, I'm going to react to it, right? That's because I don't want to have a bias, so I'm going to just react to the market.
First 15-minute candle did not break, Coach. Spot.
Thank you.
Yeah, it feels like it's anticipating the bad news. It might actually go up.
Yeah. If it breaks this 200, I'm going to long it.
Yeah, absence of bad news, it'll run.
Yep, just waiting.
Can't believe you got me trading ESs, Coach.
I got to get you guys out of your comfort zones, right?
Yeah, now I'm doing 5 contracts.
Yeah. I got Palm over there and SPX. I got government cheese doing actual options every day. Like, get you out of your comfort zones. Come on, SPY. What are you going to do? Looks like it wants to drop hard right here.
Hey, Coach, Michael
Order
Barish is
filled.
posting in the chat.
What is?
Michael Barish is posting the information in the chat.
Oh, good. Okay, thank you.
Coach, hot stock pick MLGO is way high to the upside.
All right, thank you. MLGO. Thank you. By the way, I just bought puts here with the stop above that 200.
It's kind of curling up a little bit, huh, Coach?
It is, but it looks like BS. We'll see in a minute.
OS is still below VWAP.
That's right.
We can't break VWAP.
Hot stock peak OSRH unhalted, move up, unhalted again.
All right.
Unhold time is 9:51:40. Sorry.
Thank you.
MLGO for small accounts.
Sitting here watching ES, gold's going to the moon.
Oh, is it? Okay, good.
OSRH halted at 666.
Yep, we got it just a second ago. Thank you.
We're playing Jeopardy with SPY right now.
Oh yeah.
Waiting game.
Yeah. I'm in those puts. I'm just waiting. I'm up
Oh,
I'm up 7.
Amazon lower day just broke his support to the downside.
I'm up 750 here, but I'm just waiting. This gets
Coach, if this goes down because you predicted
there it
you jumped
goes.
into it, your wife's gonna have to get a divorce from you, and I'm gonna marry you.
It's well, there you go. Look. I'm taking
Order
it.
filled.
That's 1300. There it goes. Bye-bye. I told you. What did I say?
All right, I'll go buy a ring.
Yeah, baby.
Yeah. I just sold
Amazing,
early.
Woo!
Nice.
You were right. It just looked like it was curling up.
That's right.
Like, that's why I was asking.
That's right. It's bull crap.
Fakes you out. That's what I was.
And Amazon pulling hard too.
6118 on ES is gold level. And look at it bounce right off of it.
Mark's just
I
loving
was just
life.
about to say 608.73
Thank you.
support.
Who else made money on those SPY puts?
18K.
I did.
Palms.
Oh, it's breaking.
There it goes.
I did.
There it goes. Bye-bye.
Still in my ES contracts.
There it goes. I'm taking more.
Order filled.
Just took another 1600. I'm up 3400 for the day. There she goes. Bye. Bye.
Yes.
See ya. See ya. Yep. Now at work, when I was a young buck engineer, they used to call me the shooter. So I'll take it right there. Shooter. I'll take it. Yeah, baby.
Damn, that was nice.
Yep, that was glorious. Oh my gosh. We hammered that pig from VWAP down to 608. Woo!
You know I was in there with you, Coach.
Nice job. Good job. I could just tell it was weak sauce. There was not enough information for that thing to pump
but it was
this.
curling, so I was like, yeah, I was a little hesitant until you gave me that confirmation.
yeah.
That made me comfortable to get in.
Well,
Woo,
and think
$700. Thank
it,
you. That was
yes,
fun.
good job.
Yeah. Whew. I'm all, my heart's racing.
Good job. Don't forget, by the way, diamond memberships are available. Hint, hint, nudge, nudge, wink, wink to everybody. Thank you. All right, let's keep rocking them. Nice. Shane says, absolutely beauty on SPY. Yeah, we hammered that thing. Now, remember, I had a stop above the 200. So even if it went against me, I had small risk, big reward, right? Isn't that what we're after?
That's right, coach.
Yep. So it was a good spot. I'm like, hey, if it goes against me, lose a couple bucks, I'm okay. But if it goes my way, as you saw, boom, $3,000. Done.
And we're back at that 608.50 from yesterday, coach.
That is correct. I've got it marked right here. Yep. Any promo codes running now? Yes. Diamond membership. That's lifetime everything. All of our services is 10K. Otherwise, all of my VIP memberships, each individually, is 3,500 for the year. That's our deals right now. Or I'm sorry, 3,500 for a lifetime. What the heck? Nice.
That 608.50 is also December 11th high. So a couple weeks ago's high.
Yep, good call. I might, if it sits here, I might take a small bounce up and then I hammer it back down. I would like to see it pop back up to the 9 right here, to be honest with you. I want to see this pop up to the 9, and then I will scoop up some shorts and hammer it right back down again. That's what I want to see. But if it breaks below 608.50, I'm going to hammer puts again. I would love to see a mini bounce right here, to be honest with you. I want a bunch of buyers to come in and think they're going to have the glory days, and then I'm going to hammer them. Oh, yeah. I can see it stepping up. Come on. There you go. Keep coming. A little more. Come on. A little more. Come on. A little more up. Come on. A little more bounce. A little more pep in your step. I'm going to hammer you. I'll take some.
Order filled.
I'll take some now. Small position right here. I'm taking a very small position puts here now. Using that 9 as my guide. There it goes.
Order filled.
I'll take it. Another $187 off that small move. Come on. Come back up again. Do it again. Do it. I dare you. Do it again.
That was like a surgeon, coach.
Yeah. Sometimes it's these little smalls. It's because we don't really know at that 608.50. So I'm going to be, right, get in, get green, get out.
Yeah, brother.
Yep. No sense in dinking around in there. Again, though, I love it when it's up on the 9 because my stop is just above it. So my risk is very tiny and the reward is massive, right? Because think about it. If I go really small with this and it comes up, I barely lose anything. But I could leave this alone the rest of the day. This could be down the rest of the day. So my risk is pennies. My reward is a ton of money. Again, position size is everything, right, everybody?
That's right.
Yep.
Yes, sir.
By the way, for those who've already filled up your wheelbarrows, there is a big sale at the local big box store that you can go get them, but you better get them fast because we're filling them up faster than they can ship them out.
Absolutely. Thank you. If you guys need to get your ADT wheelbarrows, you better get over there now. They are selling out fast.
5 minutes to ship change.
Thank you.
Order filled.
What'd you get in, coach?
I just shorted it, but I should have actually went the other way, so I'm going to kill this order in a second. That was a mistake. But I want to short it, but I don't like my spot. Remember, short off the 9, not on support, right?
Yep.
Yeah, that was a ding dong rookie move.
Order filled.
Not doing that. I'm gonna get out.
Getting
Wait.
tighter.
Yeah.
It's getting tighter.
It really is. It's getting super tight. Look at this thing. The 9 keeps coming down. This is beautiful, right?
That baby wedge.
Yep, little baby wedge. That's right.
I just need a 607.66.
Oh, there's a lot of sellers in that L2. Look at that candle. Oh, I like that wick.
It's just size on them, Coach. They're
Yeah, look
just
at that.
teeny tiny.
Yeah. Man, I want to hammer these puts right here. Oh, I
Just
like it.
okay,
Right
one
there.
way
I'm
or
in it.
another.
I'm in it. It's so tight right here. All of this is jammed.
Yeah, there was 4K bid orders at that level at 608.20. Filled them in.
Yep. Boy, this is right here on the line. Who's still in the puts, by the way, from VWAP? You maniacs.
This guy.
Yes.
This guy.
Yes.
I still got one left, and I'm gonna add rate. I'm waiting to add.
Yes.
I have 2 left.
And just FYI, Coach, we got a lot of traction at that 608 number.
Yeah. Oh, yeah. Big time. All right here, gang. If you're going to get inputs, it's this spot and then have your stop above. Yes?
Yep.
Good job. And there you go. And you just got paid again, right?
That was great, Coach.
Yep. Keep doing it until it doesn't respect it anymore and have your stop above it. That way, no matter what, you'll be all right. Because you could get 10 trades out of it and then one goes away. That's okay. That's what your stop's for, right?
A minute and 15 to shift change.
Thank you. Minute 15. We're going to get some volume in here. Yep. Qs are down. SPY's down. Apple's down. Tesla's down. Nvidia's just choppy.
Apple's choppy.
Yeah. Apple's another dumpster fire.
Coach, we have a request on TikTok for a stock if you have a second.
Yeah. What's the stock? Sure.
OSRH.
Looks good to the upside. You're getting just consolidation here. As long as you stay above that 583, you're golden.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah, thank you for letting me know.
I see Holo's back on the list today. Hello.
Spy again off the 9, about to get hammered.
Oh, Gilly.
Yeah, come on, baby. Come on, flush. You flush that turd. There it goes. Whoops.
Oh my gosh.
Whoops.
Yes.
Whoops. There's
607.66.
Yep, there's
Oh my God.
6,000.
Order filled.
I'll take it. That's
Holy
$6,500 I just made off that trade.
Coach, that was so fast.
Yeah, it was. Done. I'm out. That's it. By the way,
Look how fast it came back up.
that's another combine passed.
The power of shift change.
Yeah, but now look, watch it. Came all the way back up to the
Yeah, all
line.
the
Now
way back.
listen, let me mute these
And going
mics.
up.
Listen, did everybody make money on the gamma candle like you are all trained to do?
Yeah.
Yes, sir, Coach.
Thank you.
Crushed it.
Yes, we don't wait for it to come back up. Gamma candle on options, take it. Yes?
Yeah, you
Always.
said I mark it right away.
That's right.
It's not done closing yet.
Payday.
Take it. Every time you see a gamma candle like that just goes, you take that money. Don't give it back because you can enter again. Take the gamma candle. That's cash. That is cash. Oh, wow.
I didn't get spooked. I stayed in it.
Yeah, nice job. I actually made too much money in the prop firm today. I wasn't supposed to make that much. I had to, the funny thing is, I had to let it come back because I would have made 2 times the amount of money I was supposed to make out of the prop firm today. I had to let it come back so I didn't make as much.
Now it's sitting at my goal, coach, 607.66.
Nice. Because these have consistency rules where you can't make over X amount. I'm like, I would have quadrupled that. I had 15 contracts on that when it pulled, and it was $9,000, and I'm only supposed to make 5 today. I was like, oh, damn it. So I had to wait for it to come back up, and I hit it at 55.58. So I'm going to have to try not to get into a bad trade so I can get under 5,000 if everybody knows what I'm saying.
How insane is that?
Yeah. So I have to, oops. That's funny, right?
Yeah, hilarious.
Totally.
Do they punish you if you overperform?
They just don't pass you. They'll say, well, you need to do it again another day. Yeah. If you break the consistency rule, the day doesn't count, and then you got to redo it. Like they change, has to be 50%. Then they'll balance the 2 days and like, okay, you got to do 50% within 50% of this one. So basically, if you guys are doing prop firms, if they have that rule, the one that I'm doing now is a 150K account, and I have to have 9,000, which means the first day you make 4, the second day you make 5, and you will pass the prop firm. Okay. That's how it works.
What's the goal of doing those, coach? What's the point?
Well, because now it will turn into a live funded account. So what that means is then now I can make real money off of their money up to X amount of dollars. So basically for $150, I can make like 50 grand out of their account.
Gotcha. I was just curious.
Yeah. Until they try to put me on their stupid little YouTube TV thing. And then I'm like, hell no. Nice job, Mark. Mark over there just crushing it.
Coach,
Yes.
hashtag pick MLGO moving up.
Thank you.
And I think it's halted. No, it's not.
No, it's flying up.
Yeah, I called that out a while ago.
Yes, it's still running. Yeah, you guys got room to freaking 430 up there.
Take a look at Apple, coach. If you don't
I
mind, please.
see it. It's still a dumpster. I wouldn't touch it. You're around VWAP. Leave it alone, right?
Right, but if it
Yeah.
gets over VWAP, we got some room to go.
Yeah. Oh, yeah.
Right.
Yeah. Then then it's the same drill like we had at the open, trying to get above that 246.50 with the new high a day of 247. Yep. But remember, if Apple keeps hanging around VWAP, don't trade it, right? Find something else. Seriously. Ronald, I use Webull to trade my options. Nice, nice. If you guys are interested, by the way, if you want to join us, go to americandreamtrading.com, click on the pricing, or just scroll down. You'll see join Discord for free. Make sure you verify your account within 24 hours. It's just you're going to get an email that says how to verify, or it will kick you off. Unfortunately, I think so many people are having problems verifying that most people are not even able to join us, and I don't know why that's going on, but we'll figure it out. Doug, you got your hand up. Go ahead.
Yes, sir. There's a question over on YouTube from Eric, wondering what you're scalping SPY today. How many days out of your contracts?
If now remember, I was doing futures, but when I am scalping SPY, I do 0 day till expiration until around lunchtime, and then I flip to the next day. Great question. Only because of time decay. I don't want to be holding any stuff after lunch moving into that heavy time decay, okay? Anybody still in SPY on the downside from VWAP if you were just doing a long term?
I am.
This guy.
Nice. Did we hammer that pig or what?
Hammered to downside, but calls back up, went back into puts, riding it back down.
Nice
I'll
job.
I'll give you an update on the dollars later. It's insane.
Yes, good job.
33%, coach.
Nice job. If there were only one place you guys could learn to trade like this, right? Could you imagine if there was a place like this? Oh my.
There is. It's called American Dream Trading,
Oh
Coach.
my. Thank you. Thank you.
And IWM Puts getting paid, baby.
Yeah, yeah.
Don, that's not how you say it. It's American Dream Trading.
We were talking about that on the aftermarket the other night.
We were talking about a parrot doing it this morning, right?
Yeah.
American Dream Trading.
That's right. That's right.
We have a member over on Twitch whose parrot is mimicking me now. It says .com.
Very nice. I love it.
Isn't that great?
That is awesome. Palm, when you started at American Dream Trading, did you think you were going to be having $1 million months?
Nope. Not even close.
That's just crazy to think of it like that.
I was a scared. I definitely was a share scalper. Huge. I was really sharp with shares. I needed to learn to amplify that with options, and that was kind of some painful learnings. But once I got where I needed to be, then that really was the gasoline on the fire.
Oh yeah, and then the way that we're able to hit channels and watch for bounces, and then now you can ride it up and ride it down, right?
Yeah, that was a big thing because I could only ride the upside with shares.
That's right. So it is just completely opens a whole new world. Think about it. If that was your strategy before, you wouldn't even be in SPY today. You know what I mean? Like,
right.
So, and guess what, gang? Some of the down days are the absolute best days in the market for day traders. I'm going to be honest with you, because once those stops start triggering, those candles bleed so hard, as you guys can see, and we can really make a lot of money when the market is red.
You're kind of in a
Hey,
baby
Coach.
double bottom area.
Yep.
Over on Coach on TikTok Live, GCG Cool asks, how do I join?
Go to AmericanDreamTrading.com, click on the pricing, and you will see how to join us. It says join Discord for free. I'll actually pull it up on my screen just so you can see it. Here it is. Hold on one moment. Just a moment. Where is it? That's Twitch. Hold on. I got 100 things open. There it is. That's what it'll look like right there. Go to AmericanDreamTrading.com. You can click on pricing up here on the top, which will take you to right here where it says join community. Pick this plan. Otherwise, if you're on the top, just scroll down and you will see all of our pricing right here. Ding, ding, ding. About as easy as you could possibly ever get. If you don't see one of our services, right here, all other services. Click here for all our other products and services not listed. If you can't see that button below it, click here for more packages, because for some reason people can't see the button. So I made 80 buttons. Click all the things. Right. There you go.
I sold off, flipped back into calls on the baby double bottom, sold those calls. Looking to see if this is gonna hang or drop. Probably
Yes.
sold those calls a little too soon.
That's all right. You'd sold them at a great spot, so I get it. Yeah,
So
that's
SPY
it's a good
went
spot.
above the 9, right?
Yeah, it's above the 9 and the 21 now. 21's going to be everything, right here. That's why I said that's a good spot to sell, Palm. That's where I would have sold. Because this is consolidation or chop area, so.
Yeah, it likes to do a little liquidity sweep right about now.
Well, and that 608.40 was a major level that I had from before, so we'll see.
Yeah, me too.
Yep. Man, I'm gonna have to open another one of these accounts so I can do so I can trade more today, because this one's done. Goodness gracious.
How you like what Apple did, Coach? We were talking about it a while ago. It test VWAP and pulled back pretty
Oh
strong.
yeah, that's why I said, man, I don't like it. It's just it's a sloppy chop mess, right? It's trash.
Oh, but that was why we were still holding runners in the 2 minute. And then
Yes.
on that big gamma pull.
Yes, exactly. Yeah, sometimes you just got to really work it, don't you, David? Because if it doesn't give you what you need, man, that's when the master 2 minute EWO strategies with the scalping and all the things that we do at key levels really help.
And now we're back there again.
Yep.
And so we have 246 also as resistance. So as long as we stay under 246 and VWAP, we're still good.
Yeah, nice.
And so I've got just 2 runners left out of 40. So, and I've locked in so far 1,300. About $1,300 for the morning.
That's awesome. That is awesome during that trash. So listen to that, right? So David, by the way, if you are a VIP Gold member, you get the live Apple chat where David is breaking down and showing you all day. Well, not all day, but in the morning, right? What he is doing. And you guys can see it with receipts. He's posting every single trade he's made, how much they're making. At the end of the day, he's always posting the P&L. Like it's always there. VIP Gold is on sale. 3,500 lifetime. Of course, you have to have VIP 3,500 lifetime. If you guys buy them both today at the same time, 6,500. We have links in every channel. If you want the diamond membership that has everything lifetime, 10K today. Last day. And I think we have 3 of those left. You better get it right now. If any of you are on the fence right now thinking about it, this is your chance. Right now. Thank you. Yeah, right there, Palm. SPY pulling back off that 21 now.
Yep, I'm in it.
Yep. Now I'm just sitting here on my hands. I'm going to have to open another one for that. Oh, you know what? Actually, I need to get this under 5,000. That's one thing funny with these prop firms. Like, oh, I accidentally made a mistake. Like right here, oh, I'm gonna have to accidentally buy into calls while it's shorting, and to give up 500.
Oops, I lost the money.
Yeah, oops.
That's crazy.
Oh my gosh, I'm such a terrible trader. Oh no. And then I got to get it to the mark. Let me see if I can do that. Yeah, it's funny because I have to opposite what I would want to do. You didn't hear me say that, everybody, right? Okay, good.
Didn't hear a thing.
Nope. Okay, good.
Oh, we heard you.
No, you didn't.
Yes, we did.
Order filled.
I heard like, okay, so I'm confused. Your goal is to make money? Or...
Yeah. Well, if you go over, I got to go backward. I just oh no, I just lost $200. Now I got to I'm $356 away. Okay.
Coach, now you're just bragging. You're just bragging.
Well, the problem is, here's what sucks, because then your win rate goes down, right? So your win rate goes down, but they don't leave you any choice. It's stupid having these like consistency rules. It's so the house can win, but whatever. Oh no. Oh, what's
Order
this?
filled.
There we go. Come on,
So
give up
that's
some
when you
more.
get a lot of big wins and some small losses.
That's right.
Coach, you got something else I can do?
Are you done for the day, partner?
Yeah, because making this money is just crazy.
Right.
Yeah.
How'd you do today, GC?
I did NVIDIA and IWM between the both of them, 35,000, $35.
35,000. The
That's
market's been
awesome.
open
Good job.
45 minutes and he made 35,000.
Nice work, GC.
That is awesome. Good job.
Yeah.
Good job.
Yeah,
Way to go,
Coach,
Cheese.
I'm really paying attention to these deltas. I don't somebody exposed that to me, so I'm really paying attention to them. I never paid attention to them before.
No,
so
it's critical. Yeah,
I've been leaving a lot of money on the table.
Yeah, it's everything I talk about is everything we do with options is delta.
Yeah. Yeah.
You going deeper in the money.
Yes, I am really turning the corner, and my trades are shorter.
Order filled.
Right. Well, now, do you remember me? Listen,
Yeah.
do you remember me a long time ago when you started making like the good money? And I said, listen,
Yeah.
I said, it's going to get to a point where you won't even be doing it anymore longer than 30 minutes. You guys remember me saying that?
Yeah. Yeah.
When I used to trade, like, and I would just make the money and get out, 9 minutes. 9 minutes. Within the first 9 minutes of every day at the bell open, I am done. Right? Make 2 or 3,000, done. 9 minutes. That's it.
Yeah.
Done.
Yeah. Just crazy.
Yep.
150 contracts on IWM. $27,300.
Yeah, that's nice. That's nice.
That's crazy. Oh God.
Good job.
Order filled.
I find that when I trade after this time of day, it's like, because it's in the chop and I'm up and down. I'm just more like, I just don't make any more money. It seems like, and I sit in it and then I end up over trading.
Well, that's what I was just going to say. That's over trading. Yep.
Yeah. Yeah. I'd rather just be done right about now.
Right.
Get
Actually,
rid
on
of
a
these things I'm
Friday.
done.
Yep.
Yep.
Especially on a Friday, Christina.
What's that?
He said, especially on a Friday.
Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah, yeah.
Yep.
Yeah, Fridays will get you. Freaky Friday. It's designed to get you.
How'd you do today, Christina? Because you're not going to trade anymore because you probably had a good day, right?
Yeah, still in 2 more contracts, but that's it. I'm up at $700 right now.
Oh, nice job.
Yeah, but my goal is 1,000, so I'm like, but that's okay.
Yeah, but
Close enough.
Yes, that's what I was going
Yep.
to say. Because as soon as I'm telling you, some of the worst days I've ever had was because I was off by a little bit, and I just wanted that little bit more.
I know.
I've
Coach,
had
I know. One
I've
time I
had
was gambling.
over. Listen to this. I've had over $100,000 loss day because I was short like $2,000.
Yep, I gave away 8,500. I gave it back because I wanted to get to 10 grand. Oh,
So if you guys think about that, that means I was up, and I lost all of that and
And then some.
100,000
Oh.
in a day.
That'll make you puke.
Yeah. So if I'm telling you guys, if you're like, oh, I just want to make the extra $60, next thing you look at your account, you're like, I'm down 800. What happened? Yeah. Don't do that.
Yep.
Nope.
I'm close enough. Once I'm done, once I'm out of these contracts, I'm done.
Yeah, get that out of there. You make the good trades, you're done. Don't give it back.
Yeah,
That's why.
I've done that too. I've done that too, and I forced myself to take the candle, not the money.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yep.
Coach, you ready for this?
Yeah, talk to me.
I'm teaching my daughter, right?
Yep.
Oh boy.
IWM this morning, she made almost 12 grand.
Oh my gosh, that's so awesome.
She's just killing it.
That is so awesome.
She is just killing it.
That's the beauty of what we do. Think about this. Hold on, after I die. Think about this. Before American Dream Trading, right? Not your own success. Would you have been able to show your daughter how to make $12,000 in 30 minutes?
No.
Right. And now she will have a lifelong ability to never have to grind the way you and I did, right?
Yeah, she is so disciplined, though,
Yep.
Coach. God, she is disciplined. Yeah.
How about your son? What does he think of that? Is he trying it?
No, he's a work in progress.
Okay.
They don't feel bad. My son is the same way. My son doesn't do any of this. I'm like, are you serious? And it's my son, and I'm the one that's running these classes every day.
Yeah.
When they see it, I can't believe they don't want to do it. You're like, are you crazy? What? You wouldn't want to do this rather than go to work all day?
Right.
It's on their mind.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's no different. It's no different than anybody else, Christine, on the street. They don't want to do it. They don't want to do it.
It's true.
You have to let them come to you.
That's right.
I
When
know, but our kids, they're so close to it. They see it. They see what you know what I mean?
They don't.
It's right
they
there,
don't
like
see it. They don't see it. They don't see it.
Well, and my
They
son's
don't.
been around me
Yeah.
doing it my whole life, and still is just like, like,
yeah, he figures let you do it.
yeah, that could be. That could be.
Just when I talk to people, they're either very interested or could care less. And they're like, I
Right.
want nothing to do with that gambling stuff in
Yeah,
the market.
exactly. They say that's gambling, and then they don't even listen
Yep.
to what you're saying at all. They just don't even hear it.
Or they're super, super interested. Like, oh, tell me more.
Right. Yeah. When I get somebody interested, I'm like, oh, I can't believe it, and I want to keep talking, tell them everything, you know.
Oh yeah, I mean
Google
because
them.
it's such a, you know, it's
exciting.
it's crazy because it's like what we have what we have to offer is not like anything they'll ever find the rest of their lives.
There's nothing out there in
There's
the world.
nothing.
There's nothing. I've
Noth-
never
there it
nothing
goes.
that's going to offer this.
There's your pull
Yes.
right there, Palm, off that 21 we were talking about.
Yep, I'm ready to sell it right here.
Yeah, that's
I'm
glorious.
still in, Coach.
Good
I
job.
sold it. I'm looking to re-enter if it breaks, otherwise I'm flipping.
Yes, 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 yes. By the way, we've got a new Diamond member signing up right now, literally as we speak. Somebody's got their mic open.
Fell asleep at the mic, probably.
Sorry, Bruno. I'm so used to doing it the last couple of days. Bruno's like, I got it. I'm like, I'm already in it. It's sorry. I've just been so used to bouncing in and out and doing all that little stuff. Bruno, I'll let you do your job so I don't have to do it. Thank you. I appreciate you. Bruno's like, I don't have a job here and they're dinking around. I know. I got you. Yes, you got it. Doug, you got your hand up. Go ahead.
Over on TikTok, Legends Unboxed has challenged his entire family, it seems like, to tapping the screen. They are committed to getting to your 50K.
Oh, nice. And I see you guys are really close too. You guys are at 40,600, 40,700. Thank you so much for that. Absolutely. I appreciate that push. Yes, yes. Nice, nice.
Hey, I'm not like overly superstitious or anything, but my buying power is at $6.66, so I need to get rid of that or something.
No,
So I don't like that number just sitting there.
yeah, no, leave it alone. It don't matter. Listen, that number only means something if you make it mean something, right?
I don't like it.
Well,
I have a sweatshirt that says 333. I'm only half bad.
oh, I love it. All right, I think that means we have two. I think we have 2 diamonds left. As soon as this one is sold. Nice job. Just waiting for confirmation. Spy, look at this spy poll, gang. This is glorious.
That's why we need the runner. I've got one left, and it's just now. Oh, that's awesome.
607 is a gold line. It's right back in that channel like it was yesterday. 607, 609.
That is
Beautiful.
glorious. Palm, how are you doing today, if you can tell us?
A little over 220.
$220. Good job.
$2.20.
$2. That means you can do pick 2 for 2. Nice.
I got a Slurpee today.
super double gulp, baby.
Yeah.
That's awesome.
And a Snicker bar.
Yes. Yes. By the way, we're just joking. Palm has made $220,000 today, just so you guys know, in under an hour so far.
Hell of a job, Palm.
That is beautiful.
Here's your 7th candle, Coach.
Nice, nice.
Back in calls off that 607 with a stop below it.
Nice job. And then flip the script if it breaks, right?
Yep.
Yeah, Paul, we
Nice.
got the money makers in here, man.
Yeah, yeah.
Yes, on previous day low.
Thank you. It is. It's pretty amazing if you guys think about this for a second. American Dream Trader Trading has the best traders in the world. Am I right? We know it by the amounts. We have the best traders in the world in the room with you. Am I right?
For sure, because we're taught right.
Absolutely.
It's
They
insane.
train us 12 hours a day.
Yeah, isn't that insane? It's crazy. My moderators now are making more money than the best traders in the world. I want you to think about that for a minute. Some of my moderators are making more money than the best stock market traders, like in the Guinness Book of World Records and crap. You guys realize that, yes?
Sure do. Watch it every day.
It's
Better
funny.
enter him in the Guinness Book of World Records then. Get him in there.
Well, listen to this. So, Jimmy, I actually pulled up the Guinness Book of World Records and I posted it in the moderator lounge. Jimmy has done better than the person in the Guinness Book of World Records did. And that person studied stocks for 30 years before making a trade.
Oh, my God.
And then got in and made the amount of money. Jimmy made more money than the Guinness Book of World Record holder in the amount of time that he did it in, and made more money than the person holding the record. I'm not kidding. I posted it, didn't I, moderators?
That's wild. That's really wild.
Yeah, that's incredible.
Yep.
And all the while, he was so just. If people could have heard day after day the way he would just talk and things. I mean, like we kid around about the whole fence post things,
Right.
and it was like everybody be like, "Is this guy?
Yeah, is he for real?" And I'm like,
mean,
"Yeah,
is
he's for
is he
real."
normal?"
And
Yeah,
he's
I'm
so
like,
humble.
yeah.
He's so humble. He would never get out there and say, "No, I'm a
Yep.
great trader," and blah blah blah. You know, he's so humble. Like,
Yeah.
yeah, it's
So I'm
awesome.
just saying, and think about it. Now we've got Palm.
Here we go again.
Yeah, for sure. Listen, we've got Palm and GC. They're doing $1 million months. Months, not years, per month. Do you guys understand that, right? There's no one else in the world doing this. Go anywhere. It's funny. I keep seeing this prop firm trader. He makes 800K. He's like, I'm the greatest trader that's ever lived. I'm like, my moderators make more than that a month. You guys get what I'm saying, right? It's crazy. And I'll be honest with you, I did not think we would this fast have this many people making that much money. It's crazy. I love it.
As being one of the OGs, coach, coming in like your second week that you got on
Yes.
TikTok and everything, it is really incredible to see how many people not only are doing this now
Yes.
with you, because we talked about numbers back then of,
Right.
well, if we can do this for a year, if we can do this for 2 years,
Yeah.
but it's the amount of people now that really how educated they are about the
Yes.
process and how much money they really are making. It's just like, where can it be in another 2.5 years?
That's what I'm saying. Like this year we'll do 200 million. Who's heard of that? Come on.
Yeah.
That's crazy. You mean we're seriously, think about it. That's why I said 4 more years after that, we're at $1 billion. Nobody's made $1 billion in a Discord trading community. Am I right?
Yeah, those first few months were just all about, pretty much trading stocks.
Yes, trying to get people.
And it was
when
to
get
set
there.
your stop and all that stuff.
Yes,
and
right.
It's crazy.
Trying to get people to like the bare minimum basics.
Yep.
Hey, coach, sorry to interrupt, but
Yeah.
look at Tesla. It's going straight down to
Oh,
hell.
I see it.
right now.
Everything is SPY, IWM, Tesla. I mean, just print. Just keep making money. Just keep on going, right?
Yep. And then RTY for a while now.
Tesla's coming to a double bottom now. Be careful.
Thank you. What's the double bottom number?
347.97.
What is it? 347.
347.97, so 348.
Yeah,
basically.
348. Okay, thank you.
Amazon's got a big double bottom at 219 even.
Thank you.
Well, you've done a great job, coach. You and your magic 8-ball.
Thank you. Yeah.
605.94. Can we get there?
The only one that's not moving is Apple. Apple is flat.
Thank you. Miguel, by the way, I see that if you can hear me, I see that went in there. What happens is because it's such a large dollar amount, and I can see your credit union, and I see the name and where all that. But what's going on is a lot of times they'll think it's fraud because it's such a large amount. You might have to either say yes, like my Chase will do, or you might have to call them or tell them it's not fraud. Go ahead and release it, just so you know.
Hey, good morning, Coach.
Good morning.
We got 50,000 likes over on TikTok.
Oh, yes. We're doing a giveaway today. That's what I'm talking about. Nice, nice. Everybody hang in there. We will do it before I leave. You must be present to win, and we will do it before I leave. So don't be running out the door. So we will be doing a giveaway over on our TikTok for everybody hitting 50,000. Nice job. How do I get on your Discord? Go to americandreamtrading.com, click on pricing or scroll down. The very first button says join Discord for free. Ding.
Coach, really, look at Tesla right now. Look at it.
Oh, yeah, that's nice.
Coach, I didn't want to say nothing, but I knew it was going to break that double bottom.
Yes.
That L2 does not lie.
It's magic, isn't it?
Yes.
Do you believe in magic? Yeah, you do.
Yeah.
Good job. Nice job.
The hell with this trading, Coach. I'm done.
Yeah, this is
This some
BS. Am I
bullshit,
right? Yeah, this isn't right at all.
Yeah, this some bull. It don't make no sense.
Yeah. This whole trading thing's a scam.
Yeah. It's crazy.
As my amazing daughter-in-law would say, that's a scam.
$2. Hold on. Bike's getting there.
That's awesome. All right, how about this? Everybody open up your mics. Anybody make any money today?
Yeah.
Let's go, baby. Tesla push.
Let's go.
Yes, Coach.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
$700 in 30 minutes.
Oh, good
Can't beat that
job.
job. Yeah.
Yes. Now, Christina, I know you had a goal this week. Did you hit it? Were you able to do whatever you needed to do? I remember you were after something and you were like, I got to hit it. Did you get it? Did you do it? Did you do it right?
Actually, yeah, my goal is $1,000 a day, but I think of it as if I hit that 3 times a week, because I'm not going to hit it every day.
Yep.
I know that.
Yep.
Let's be real. And so I think I did, because I made just over 1,000 yesterday, 1,100 the day before, and today 700. I'm just under, but I made it pretty much. That's good enough. That's almost 3,000 for the week. Hell, I'll take that.
Now, here's what's crazy, right? And if you can, I mean, I'm sure you can tell us, but what's the account size you're using to make 1,000 a day?
$5,000.
I want you guys to hear what was just said.
Yeah.
1,000 a day off of a $5,000 account, right? That's so. If you put it into perspective, you're like, well, I don't have that. I have a $500 account. Okay, that's 100 a day that she's doing, right? Off of 500, right. So 5,000. That it's just crazy. Once you know and learn what we are doing, your life will never. Christina, did you ever think you'd be able to make $1,000 a day just clicking a couple buttons and it's been an hour?
Oh my God, hell no. I always dreamt of it. I always wanted it, but I never thought that I could be one of those. You hear day traders and you see the pictures, the movies with in the market. People say, buy, sell. That's what you think it is. And you think, oh, that sounds so glorious. Like, the whole life just sounds great. Never thought I could do anything like this. It's amazing. I can't believe when I look at stuff and I know what's going on and I say it out loud. I'm like, how do I know this? Like,
Yes.
I can't believe the shit I know. It's great. I can't believe it. I love it.
Now, people that are listening that don't know what's going on, do you have a financial background, Christina?
No, I was I was in the back office at a mutual fund company, just taking back when they did the written trades. That's
Right.
it, and entering them in. That's all I ever did. I didn't know anything like this.
So everybody's going to ask, how many years of experience did you have before you joined American Dream Trading and day trading?
0.
Right. So everybody that's listening, right? So if you're like, oh, I don't know if I can, or I don't know if I'm able, or everybody has the opportunity as long as you come in with an empty cup. If you come in here ready to listen and learn, I'm telling you, right? And I've got people that were experienced like Palm that came in here, right? And Palm, I don't know how he felt, but maybe in the beginning he's like, well, I don't know, and he came in with his own ideas and he had found success before he got here. But if he didn't come in with an empty cup, he's not making $1 million a month or having $250,000 day like today. Am I right? It wouldn't have
And
existed.
just so they know how it can progress, before I had this size account and I was making $1,000 here and there, and then it went to 3,000, then 5, and then 10 and 20. The reason I don't have that in my account is because I spent it. But
right.
it's, I'm just saying, like
Yeah, you were having
it
10,
goes.
20, $30,000 days there for a while.
I had that one day, my trade was at 50,000. Remember? I was like,
Yeah.
woo. I stayed in it trying to get more because I was greedy, but I got 37 out of it.
Yeah, think about it.
Yep.
Did you ever think in a single day you'd
Oh.
make $37,000?
Oh my God, no! It was killing me waiting for the market to open to get that.
Right. That's
Yep.
amazing. Vendetta over in our own Zoom chat says, how long have you been trading now? So how long have you been in here with us trading?
I'm coming up on 2 years. This next month, I think. 2
There
years.
you go. 2 years.
Yep.
2 years,
Yep.
gang. Nice job.
Yep. And it was last July, August, September is when I started hitting it real big.
Nice job.
So it was just over a year.
Good
Yeah.
job. So,
Yeah.
and the reason I'm emphasizing it, right? Because you guys know we got people making ridiculous, like, they make more than The Rock, let's be honest, which is crazy to even think that, but they do. By the time they pay all their people and their managers and their accountants, and our people make more than the richest people on earth. Can I just say that? Can I literally just say that our people have made more than most people will ever do in their lives? Can we all admit to that now?
In our pajamas sometimes. We don't even
Seriously,
have to
if
get
you
dressed.
are making over $10 million per year, are you not the richest people on earth? Right. So again, it's crazy. Now, why am I talking about Christina with this? Because Christina is like us. She is your right. We don't have financial backgrounds and all the things, and right. And her walk of life was not like, well, I've always been in stocks, and no. It's like everybody else, right? It's coming from something else, coming in here, and same thing, right? She wasn't
I was an
doing
Uber driver
stocks.
before that. Uber driver.
Right.
That's it.
Yeah, Christina was an Uber
Yeah.
driver before she got here. She's making $1,000. Listen, it's 10:38. You've made what, $700 today?
Yep.
How long would it take an Uber driver to do that? That would be a week, right?
All weekend long. Yeah. And that's with all the hassles, and somebody might puke in your car and all that crap.
So I'm just saying, listen, it's not outside of the realm. Everybody has the opportunity to do what we are doing. You just need to show up every day. You seriously just need to show up every day. That's it. There's no secret sauce. You got to show up, you got to care, and you got to be involved. By the way, Miguel, I see you. Miguel just got his Diamond Lifetime membership. Everybody welcome and congratulate Miguel.
Congratulations. Welcome.
Congratulations, Miguel. Welcome to the family, bro.
That's awesome.
Congrats, Miguel.
Congrats.
Welcome to the machine.
Congrats, Miguel.
That is fantastic.
Welcome, Miguel.
Hey, don't forget, Miguel, now you can come into the futures.
Oh, yeah. And Miguel, get in here, man. You got access to everything. Literally everything. You can trade from us now with us every day from 4 a.m. to 4 p.m. You've got, I mean, listen, Miguel didn't even have a membership. Miguel, had no membership. He just went from nothing to the Cadillac services, baby.
There you go. That's how you do it.
Yeah, you got access
VIP.
to
Hang out VIP
everything.
profile.
Yes, you got access
No, and
to
you guys
everything.
keep talking about trading 12 hours. I traded another 8 after that in crypto.
Yeah, exactly. Yeah, because crypto's 24/7. Yeah, exactly. Yeah, that's what I was saying. You know, if you guys are in here with us, guess what? The stock market closes, right? It shuts down. Well, guess what?
Nope.
Boom. Then you go over to futures. And then, you know, if it starts to die off at, 11 o'clock, 12 o'clock, boom, you're into crypto. Like if you're working third shift, we have something for everybody, including the kids. If you guys go to our merch store, we got stuff for the kids over there. Come on, there's something for everybody in the fam. Appreciate you all.
And crypto doesn't rip your face off. You can be cooking dinner while you're trading crypto and you're fine.
All position sizes. Yep, absolutely. There goes SPY. It pulled up to the 21, and it's been respecting the 21, right? You heard Paul and I talking about it earlier. If you look at the 1 minute, respected it here, and it respected it here. This is the backbone of SPY. the 21 EMA, right? So as long as it respects that level, you can stay below it. If it pops above it, you already know. Start looking for some upside. But what is the trend today on SPY?
Down.
So,
Down.
should you be dinking around with going long or buying calls?
No.
Hell no.
No. There you go. Good job. Now, could it reverse it
Yes, for
sometime
30 days
today?
out.
Sure, it
Yes.
could reverse, but until it shows you a major change, just leave. Just stop, right? Let it go, man. Let the trade develop. Just let it go.
Keep your hands off the mouse.
Thank you. And if you can't, make sure you buy the mouse pad because it says keep your dirty hands off the mouse. Does anybody have that mouse pad, by the way?
Yeah,
Yes,
me.
sir.
You know it. You saw a picture of it, Coach.
Yeah. Somebody do me a favor. Somebody take a picture of your mouse pad that says that and post it in the stock lounge. The only reason is because I got the first one before I had that saying, and mine just says live your best life. So
I would, Coach, but I'm still in a trade.
no, you're fine. Somebody do me a favor. Take a picture of your mouse pad, post it if you would, please, over in the stock lounge. That would be awesome to see it. Thank you.
Coming right up.
Thank you. Very nice. What time
Wade
frame?
over on TikTok
Right,
says
thank you.
60K.
Wait, who made
Wow.
60K?
Wade over on TikTok says they've hit 60K likes.
Oh, nice job. Yes. Thank you so much. Don't forget, before I leave, we're gonna do a giveaway, so nobody run out the door. Thank you. Thank you, Wade. I appreciate that. What moderator do I have over there? I see I have Doug over there. Doug, are you
What
listening?
lounge do you want to be posted on, Coach?
Post it in the stock lounge.
Okay, hold on.
Let's see. Actually, Gilly or Diesel Dan, since you are my official TikTok mods, are either one of you over there in there?
I'm looking at it now.
Thank you. And I see Diesel Dan is over there. I can see him talking.
And I see these.
Yep, I see you, Diesel. So, Diesel, at some point, when I tell you, you are going to pick who is going to get the giveaway today. So, everybody do me a favor so that Diesel can start to see who's over there. Everybody right now, start telling us. Have you learned anything from American Dream Trading? What would you like to do with we'll do a membership. We'll do a monthly membership. What would you do with a month membership? How could this change your life? What are you after, right? So Diesel Dan, start reading all those comments if you have time, please. And I'll have you pick somebody before I leave. There goes SPY crashing out again. I told you it respected the 21. And I said what? As long as it respects the 21, we stay to the downside on it. Yes?
I got this one runner. It cost me 91 cents. It's already at 80. It's at 95. I'm over 100% already.
100% on your one runner just
Just one.
because you took and you got your dirty hand off the mouse.
Yep, I'm just sitting here watching it. Me too.
Thanks. Oh, wow. You
Nice.
got two of them
I
now?
had to sell time the key was kicking in.
MLGO, Coach.
All right. Thank you. Yep, I see it. 360%. Nice job. Who's still in SPY from VWAP? Besides Christina.
I'm still
I'll
I
be in it
was
forever.
coach. I had to sell it out. Time the key
Everything
was
is
starting to
going
kick in.
like
I
crazy.
got you.
Dude, I'm in Meta and IWM still.
Oh, my gosh. Good job.
Listen to that evil laugh.
I know. I love it. When she's got the evil laugh, you know she's doing well.
Yep.
Thank you. Thank you, self-made tradesman. Good to see you over there. I appreciate you. Lots. 6 months watching on TikTok. Nice. Thank you. Almost completed the free training videos. Oh, nice.
Comment to support on SPY 60588.
Thank you. Nice job.
That 48 cents critical. I got a hard line in.
Oh my gosh, Mark. Dude, I'm so happy for you because I know this is completely changing your life like 1,000,000%. I am so happy for you.
Changing my debt balance.
Oh my gosh.
He's still not going to hire anybody to do the yard work, I bet, though.
Oh, I would. I'm not allowed.
He's not going to let you still?
Allowed.
Get
out my lawn,
job.
here.
Oh boy. Oh
Stop
boy.
doing a good job at it, Mark.
Oh
And you
Tell her,
boy.
know.
go make me a sandwich.
Oh boy. Oh, look at that. Wolf's got 2 of them. Wolf just posted 2 over in the stock lounge. Keep your hands off the mouse. Everybody go check that out in the stock lounge. That's awesome.
I have friends that don't
I
hire
posted
people to do their
mine.
lawn because they say they enjoy the process of cutting it.
Nana, I don't see it in the stock lounge.
Oh, it's still loading. Sorry.
Oh, okay.
You should see it now.
Thank you. Oh, I think somebody else is getting the diamond. That leaves 1. Let me look. No, that might be. Ooh, I thought you guys were not going to be able to get any more. It looks like that's gold complete. Woo! Somebody got lucky. You guys were about to never see that again. Oh man, nice job, Mark. Good job. Mark's over here making more than he used to make in a month in a single day, by the way, from his 9 to 5. Mark makes some days more. It's been an hour. It's an hour and 13 minutes, and Mark's made more today than he made before in his 6-figure plus day job in a month, just so you guys know.
There's only 2 of us that have that mouse pad.
Yeah, I don't know.
What the is going on here?
I go.
Good.
I'm out. I'm taking a break before the futures training starts at noon, and before we go live on the futures education and programming at 2 p.m. Eastern time each and every day. I will see you then.
Nice. See you, Mark. Great job today. Holy crap.
See you later, Mark.
Jeez. Oh my
Hi, Mark.
gosh. This guy's crushing it. If you self-made tradesman, all you need to do is go to AmericanDreamTrading.com, scroll down, click join free Discord. That's all you got to do. AmericanDreamTrading.com. It has everything you need. Josh, go ahead. You got your hand up?
Hey, good morning, Coach. Can you hear me?
Yep.
So I definitely do not mean to rain on your parade, and I'm very happy for all the members that make crazy money from your teachings. But on the opposite end of that spectrum, there are a lot of people. I'm just looking at the Zoom chat. There's a lot of members that are struggling.
Yep,
and
it'll
have had
happen.
red days.
Yeah.
Especially on a Friday. I just kind of want to say, think of those people that are successful and their character traits. Do you hear David risking big illogical trades? That's just something he would never do.
Yeah,
So,
it also comes back to following the rules. If you keep having red days, what are you supposed to do? Listen, I can guarantee any of you that are struggling right now that 98% of you are not following the rules at all. Let's be honest, gang. Right?
And I can tell you, I had
if you're-
plenty of those days. It's going to happen, and just don't
Absolutely.
quit. Don't give up, because it'll come back. You can have those days, and you just have to go back and look at what you did.
True.
Study some more, write in your journal, but don't give up.
It's
That's
true.
the main
And-
thing.
Patience.
And
Have some
in the-
patience.
Have patience.
And in the beginning, you are only supposed to be paper trading. So I will never see you guys are having big losses, because that isn't a part of the system at all. That's not in my rules at all. It doesn't say lose all your money while you're training. I don't remember that part. So if any of you are in a Zoom chat saying that, you need to fix it, because you already know none of you, not a single one of you, have been told to do that. So I hope you understand that. And red days are a part of trading.
I think the number one issue with people who are not successful is to manage losses. Because
That's
I know
correct.
I've struggled with it. It's
That's
like
correct.
when you get into a trade and it's kind of, red, green, red, green, red, green, and it's kind of not going the directions you want it to go. And you do not cut it off when it needs to be cut off, because it's going to reverse. Oh, it's going to go back.
Right. Risk
And it
management.
doesn't. And you pull even harder. And
That's
then
right.
you're in a hole.
Yes.
And that's how you learn,
my
because
opinion,
there's no
the
success without failure.
biggest
You learn
struggle.
from that.
And it's
Yep.
it's all risk management. Literally all risk management. I say it every day. And again, until you individually are ready to listen to everything I'm saying, it will not click. You will not be successful, and you will continue to struggle. Those of you that said you're still struggling in the Zoom chat, how many of you guys journaled every single day since you've been here? Because I say it every day. You want me to tell you how many people did it, Josh, percentage-wise? And I'm going to tell you. Are you ready?
I know the answer.
0. 0. I would put money on 0% has every person that is struggling right now journaled every single day. Well, guess what? If you haven't done that, you already broke a rule. I'm serious. You guys are like, oh, that's really harsh. Yeah, they're there for a reason. Yep. Rules are there for a reason. Guess what? If you speed, you get a ticket. If you go over the line, if you run a red light, you get in an accident. Rules are there for a reason.
Coach, can I say something just for a second?
Yes, follow all the rules.
This is the progression that we teach new traders. 1, you paper trade.
Yes.
You practice your entries, you get in, you get green, you get out.
Mm-hmm.
You practice getting green trades on paper, then you work on getting green days on paper.
That's right.
Once you can collectively get green trades and green days on paper, then you eventually you migrate into a cash, and you start with a small position size, and you follow those green entries and those green days and establish a baseline of success. If you're establishing a baseline of success, trade after trade, day after day, week after week, and then incrementally, you can add a little bit more. And if that's the way you start, I want you to tell me how it's possible that you can blow up your account.
Thank you.
That is what we teach every day. We talk about it in the afternoons. We talk about pre-market. That's the way you start trading. So paper trade, small position size, establish a baseline of success, do it in paper, green trades, green days. Then you start with the teeny tiny one share.
Yes.
You can't screw up your account trading 1 share and establishing a baseline of success. Then you move to 2 shares.
Yep.
Then you move to 3 shares.
That's right.
It is impossible to blow up your account.
Thank you.
Amen.
Thank you. Thank you, Palm. Speaking from somebody with serious success in the room, you're absolutely right. And what do I always say when you get into the real? Ford. What is the cost of Ford? Hold on. It is $9.35, and on its largest day will move 15 to 20 cents.
Yep. Trading Ford will teach you not to focus on the money.
Yes. It's about,
just being honest.
It is. It's about becoming a good trader. I say it every day. It's about becoming a good trader, and then the money will come. You guys got it ass backward. Those of you that are trying to get rich quick, that's not how this works. I'm telling you, were you great when you walked into your new job that you've never seen before, and they were like, well, we're going to train you? Were you great that day? Hell no, you weren't. And if you thought you were, well, you already got another problem. Right? If you think
Hey,
you're
Coach,
the greatest
if
when
you
you walk
were,
in the
that
room.
means that you were infantry and arrogant like me.
Yes. Thank you. Exactly. I mean, you got to earn it, right? You got to earn all this stuff. You got to go through some of the losses and the things. But I put it in a way, like Palm said, I put it in a way and in a structure so you don't feel the pain while you are getting trained. And that's why I say things like, if you have 2 red days in a row when you're in a real account, stop trading for 30 days. I say it for a reason because I'm trying to help you protect your account. Mark posted it. If you followed my rules, let's say you started with a $1,000 account. If you followed my rules to a T, it would take you 15 years to lose $1,000 because you're not allowed to lose more than 1 to 3%, which is 2% on average. And then if you had 2 red days in a row, you got to wait 30 days. That's a month. So you got to trade 2 days out of a month. Well, guess what? Now your account size got smaller. Now it's 2% on the new account size. If you traded 2 more red days in a row, that's 2 more days on a smaller size than what you started. Now you had 4 trading days in 2 months. Do you understand why I have what I have? It is so you cannot blow your accounts up. Thank you. 15 years. I want you to remember that. If I follow coach's rules, it would take me 15 years to blow up my account. So guess what? Since we've only been here 2.5 years, if you tell me you blew your account, did you follow my rules or not?
Nada.
There you go. Ta-da! Write it in the journal that you won't do tomorrow. Do it.
Also, put the rules up on the wall. Write them
Yes.
all down.
Yeah, right in your face.
Put them right beside your computers.
Yes, thank you. All right, anyways, let's get back to what you're supposed to be doing, which is following the rules so that you too can be a part of the success stories. But I'm telling you, until you can do the 8 basic things that I outline every single day, you're not going to be there. You're not going to be a success story. We're not going to talk about the great things you're doing, and you're just going to sit on the sidelines and be like, well, I don't know. Follow the rules. How about you start with that? We'll go from there. Deal? So here's
get the 2-minute EWO on Apple. It was a good one. It was a struggle, but with the stop losses in place, we never broke VWAP, and we've had a few opportunities to collect money in the profit so far.
That's correct. I mean, yeah, look, David's a perfect example of the greatest rule follower of all time. David hasn't had a red day in literally a red day. You'll have a red trade, but not a red day in over 6 months. Since he's been doing the live Apple chat, he has not even had a red damn day because he follows the rules to a T. Follow the rules, for crying out loud. So listen, I don't want the, oh, woe is me and all that. I understand you're struggling. But if you can't tell me you followed the rules every day since the day you've been in here or you got serious about it, what am I supposed to do as your coach? If I tell you to put the damn cheeseburger down and you're still a fat ass and you ain't losing weight, what do you want me to do about it? Am I right?
You have another one.
You know what I'm saying? And I'm saying it because you guys saw me sitting here every day. I was just getting bigger and bigger and bigger and more stress and bigger and more stress and bigger. You know what I mean?
Like back the cheeseburgers.
Yeah, yeah. You guys, you know what I'm saying, right? Come on.
I'm kidding.
Yeah. Come on. You guys know what I'm saying. Come on, be cool. But
got
anyways,
it. If you can't get a green paper trade, why would you use cash? If you can't get 1 share profitable, why would you use 2?
I agree. And if you can't get shares profitable, what the hell are you doing in options?
If you can't get 1 share profitable.
Right.
And don't be all over the place to focus
crazy.
on one thing.
So again,
one thing at a time.
So again, stop trying to chase the dollars. Start trying to become a good trader. And again, back for the diamond or any of the lifetime memberships, the beauty of it is you're not worried. You don't have a time constraint thing. That doesn't mean, well, I'm just going to come in once a week and do nothing. Don't do any of that. Seriously, don't do that, all right? Appreciate it. Anyways, love your faces. Everybody be cool.
Don't give up.
And don't, yeah. Hey, what did I have you guys write down, right? So far in your journal, it's only been like 2 or 3 things. I've had you write 2 or 3 things down that I said, write it down.
I'm saying that because for some people it could take years, That's why I'm saying just don't give up.
All right. And I always say this too. Think about this. If it took you 10 years for this to click, for you to make $1 million a month, just saying, because somebody's done it, right? If it took you 10 years to make $10,000 a month, which is more than most of you will make on your day jobs, let's be honest, right? I'm not picking on you. That's just statistically true. A family of 2 is $56,000. For a family of 2 working full time, on average, it was an American household. So if it took you 10 years to make $10,000, are you going to make $10,000 on your own doing your 9-to-5 job? Are you going to get enough raises to make that? Because I promise you, you won't. Most people
it's a different journey, coach.
Most people will never see 6 figures ever per year. So if you can make $10,000 in a month, but it took you 10 years, was it worth it or not? Because it's more money than you'll ever see your whole life. So should you quit today because it's year 1, year 2? Should you quit? You got 8 more years. How long have you been doing your jobs? Some of you have been at your jobs for 20 plus years. You're still not making it. What are you going to get? A 3% annual raise if you're lucky? So again, I ask you, is it worth it to put in the time? Or do you just want to go back to the 9-to-5 job that you hate because that's why you're here? You tell me. Is it worth it to put in 10 years if you had to commit? If you had to write in your journal, write 10 years and then I will be able to find success. If that was the number, it could be 20. Hell, in 20 years, would it be worth it? If you could then sit on your ass in front of a computer and make the kind of money we're talking about, would it be worth it to you? Some of you, right, are wrenching and grinding and working your right fingers to the bone and showing up and 60 and 70, 100 hours a week. Would it be worth it to you if 20 years from now you didn't have to do that bullshit and all you had to do was not quit?
Just don't tell them 20 years in advance.
Is it worth it, everybody in the room? Yes or no? You tell me. And if you say no, get the hell out of here.
Yes, it is, sir.
Yes, it is.
Seriously, walk away. If you can't say yes, I'm not your coach, because I don't. This isn't a get rich quick. This isn't I need to make money tomorrow. I bought a monthly membership, and therefore I should be able to make that money tomorrow. Get out of here. Just leave. You're not going to succeed. You're just not going to do it. Thank you. You're just not going to do it. If you were one of my athletes and you rolled up to me and you're like, well, I want to become great in a year, and I look at you and you got the weakest ass physique and mindset and you don't know what the hell you're doing and you don't show up for training and you're late and you're not working and you're not stretching at the after hours, you're not studying shit, I'm going to be like, that ain't happening, Chief. But great. See if you can show up. Once you build the foundation, now we got something to build on. Year 1 to 2 will be better. 2 to 3 will be better. 3 to 4 will be better. Right? You got to do the work. So enough of this woe is me bullshit. Pull yourselves up. If you guys have the mindset, well, I just can't get it. What the hell are you using real money for? And every person in this room that has ever said, Coach, I am struggling, what is the very first thing I tell you to do? Stop using real money. And if you don't listen to me, if you can't listen to your coach, who the hell are you going to listen to? You pay me to show you the way of how to do this. So if you can't listen to me, why are you here? Thank you.
100%. It's like working with your body. You need to do core so you can actually strengthen your body and then you don't injure yourself as much. Same principle as your foundation.
Yeah, and think about it, right? Think about this, right? Elite runners, you're not even allowed to add over like 10% of your mileage per week, right? It'll be like 2%. So if you think even if you are great and you think, oh, I'm just going to add on all this stuff all at once. No, you're not. No, you're not. No, you're not at all. The body can't even physically take it. And you mentally couldn't take it, right? If you're used to running 3 miles and you're like, well, next week I'm going to start running 5. No, you're not. Genius? Of course you're not. Your body can't handle it. Your mind can't handle it. You have to slowly progress to get there. So again, like Palm said, if you can't trade 1 share and be successful, why would you go to 2? You know what I mean? Like, if you can't trade Ford that moves 1 penny every 6 minutes, how in the hell are you going to trade something else? Think about that for a minute. Now get over there and get your diamond memberships. Lock in that lifetime of training, right? Because some of you, it might take years. Nobody in this room has ever said, in 30 days, you're going to make millions of dollars. This isn't some damn infomercial kid, right, in the middle of the night on TikTok. This is real stuff. We're coming at you with reality, right?
The first disconnect that I see is people come in and and they get excited and they feel that because they're in the right environment, somehow their trades are going to go green.
Yeah, by osmosis.
So they keep doing what they're doing
right
in a very exciting environment, and then they continue to have they're doing the same thing, getting the same results.
Correct.
And that's the part we have to erase and then reprogram.
That's right.
So it's great that you're here. It's great that you're enthusiastic. You will get this if you can erase what you were doing. You have to let go 100%. You can't like cherry pick it. You can't hybridize it. You have to let it go completely, whatever you're doing, and then just try on paper what we're talking about, and you will begin to see. Paper trade it, even if paper trading one share at a time, 3 shares at a time. But eventually it'll start to happen. And then the biggest thing that you got to fight along the way is regression, is trying to salt back in some of the things that you used to do. Because you're like, okay, I kind of got this. I got a few green traits. And then you kind of slip back into some of the stuff that you were doing. So really, really clear your mind, purge yourself, erase what you were doing, follow this, and give it 100%. Both cheeks. Not one cheek, both butt cheeks.
That's right. Both cheeks in.
Yep.
Double cheeks.
Double cheeks.
Palm's on fire this week. Am I right? Palm's been lighting it up all week this week. He's on a different level, man. I love it.
Trust the damn process.
Yes, yes. Seriously, that's why I say, though, empty cup, try it out. I know some of you guys have been in like 67 other communities and rooms and call outs and WhatsApps and little kids and they, like, stop. We are not any of that. I need you to trust the process. I need you to trust the system. This is why, though, I tell people where they are and what they're doing, right? This is why we have the success stories we do, because the people we're talking about did not have the success they're having until they got here, which means if they didn't trust the process, they wouldn't be doing the things they're doing, right? This is what I'm saying.
True.
It's
true.
It means so much more than just like, you know, and I see, trust me, I see my competitors. They literally see great traders. They scoop them. I've had them come to me. I'm like, I'm not working for you, dude. I'm running the show. They'll be like, hey, can we hire you to be a part of what we're doing, to be, you know, like the sharpshooter, and so people can look at what you're doing and stuff. Like, get out of here with that. We create that here. Think about it. Look at our list. We create that. I'm not hiring people to go, hey, they did it here. You know it. They're learning it here. It's not somewhere else. It wasn't some, you know, they did something different from another area and came here. No, it's everybody here's success is here. So who are you going to trust? We do it here. So start listening. And I tell you guys every day, you just got to put in the work and you got to not quit. That's it. All right, let's move on. But thank you guys. Thank you, Josh. But listen, people will always struggle no matter what. You will. And here's the hard truth you're not going to like, but you know me, I don't sugarcoat shit. Some of you will suck at your job forever. Some of you will never advance ever. And this is the hard truth. And you want to know why? Because you won't allow it. You will be too complacent, too lazy, not care enough, not want to go above and beyond, just want to clock out at 5 o'clock so I can go home, sit on my ass and watch TV. Well, guess what? You're going to get what you put into it. And I know, coach is so mean. I see it every day with people. You either want to be exceptional or you're going to sit there and do nothing and be complacent. So choose. I see it with athletes. I see it with everybody I've ever coached, everybody I've ever trained, everything I've ever done. I can tell right away the people that want to be excellent or the people that want to be a lazy ass. And I can usually tell the first sentence out of their mouth, the mannerisms, the way they respond, how they talk, how they walk, what they do. You show up every day and you work. That's it. Those are the people who are going to succeed. So guess what? Write in your journal, I'm not going to be a lazy ass. I'm not going to be complacent. And you will start to find success. So seriously, I want you guys to think about it in your 9-to-5 job. When is the last time that you put in years of above and beyond? Not because you're trying to get a raise, so for 30 days you're going to excel. Years. You're probably the managers, the general managers, the COOs, the CEOs, right? You're running shit. You're a team lead. You're a project manager because you're the type of person that does it every day. Am I right or wrong?
You're right, coach.
Exactly
You're a teller
right.
or a doer.
Yeah.
You're right, coach.
That's right. So what do you want to be in the stock market? You want to be excellent at this, or you want to be a half-ass, lazy, complacent, doesn't really matter, show up when I want, leave, whatever. I just want to be done. I'm made $12 and now I'm not going to study the rest of the day. Just going to leave. You know, made my $200. I'm out of here. I'm going to go dink off the rest of the day. Or are you going to be excellent every day? It's your choice. Every day. Right? Are you choosing to watch Netflix and do nothing and bullshit the rest of the day? Or are you studying? I've got 2,000 videos for free Are you watching the replays every day? Are you listening to Palm and GC and David on the weekends every weekend? Are you guys studying all the stuff that we do? It's all the time. Or are you going to be lazy ass? Come on. Come on. I want you to think about it. I know it's not, coach is so mean. Listen, trust me, when I got to get on you guys, we don't sell anything, right? So for the last, guess what, 40 minutes, I lost money. But you know what? It's because I care. It's legitimately because I care. And you guys need to know the hard facts truth. You need to understand. It is all within you. You will either be great or you won't. It's all you. That's it. So get out of your own way.
Got to hear it every day, Coach.
Yeah, couple hands up. And we're going to do the giveaway in just 1 second. So again, sometimes I got to get on you. But guess what? If everybody's like, oh, woe is me, and oh, I know my name, well, you know what? You're going to get the real truth. I'm not going to sugarcoat it. And if you don't like it, maybe you want to go to another room where they'll give you some bullshit WhatsApp call out thing. You guys won't do anything and you'll just run around for 6 months and then I'll see you again. You can just stay and work or leave and I'll see you when you come back. Appreciate your faces. All right, let's go. Doug, you got your hand up. Thank you.
Yeah, so Diesel Dan asked me to let you know who the winner was. So if you want to go to a different question or...
Yeah, no, it's great. So here's what we're going to do. Let's do this. Let's do, it's Friday. Some of you ain't got a job. You ain't got shit to do. Don, you know what I'm talking about. So let's do this. Let's go big today, shall we? Today we're going to do a VIP giveaway, a monthly VIP. This is a $500 membership. Right? So you're going to get all these benefits. Let me tell you what you're going to get with your VIP membership. This is a massive one. This is $500. You're going to get early pre-morning access from 4 a.m. to 4 p.m. You're going to get access to all the workshop classes and everything we had recorded from before. You're going to get all the VIP training videos. There's over 50, plus all the premium videos. There's over 11 over there. So there's almost 70 videos. You're going to get the Trading View indicators. This is an overlay you'll be able to put on your system. You will have to have a Trading View membership, which is about $15 a month. But we are giving you our Trading View indicators that you can only get access to with the VIP. You're also going to get the hot stock picks every single day. You like you're hearing MLGO. We posted that before the bell opened. You're going to get all the pre-market setup. We're going to show you with 13 different stocks, key critical levels you'll use at the bell and throughout the day. You guys are going to get the IPO Center. We post all the earnings. You're going to get the newsletter. And again, priority help desk support. All of that for $500 a month. We're going to give it away right now. Diesel Dan, who is the winner? You'd like to give away a $500 single month VIP membership to. Go ahead.
Diesel Dan would like to give that to Legends Unboxed.
Legends Unboxed. Where are you? Legends Unboxed. Where are you? Post over on TikTok. You need to be present to win. And by the way, thank you. We're at 76,000 likes, 200 concurrent viewers right now. Admiral says, tried to get in your Discord, couldn't seem to get it. Let us know what's going on, Admiral. Let us know what's happening.
There he is, Coach.
Yep, I see it. All right, moderator. So Legends Unboxed. Go to AmericanDreamTrading.com. Click on pricing. Click on join Discord for free. You will get an email. It will walk you through how to verify your account. Oh, good. You're on the Discord. Okay. Then do us a favor. Right now in the Stock Lounge, say, I'm here. Go to the Stock Lounge on the Discord. Let us know. Legends Unboxed. One of my moderators will open a ticket for you. We will not direct message you. We will not friend request you. We don't do that here. We will open a ticket. There it is. Moderators, you see it? There it is. Just
Yeah, he's in there.
Thank you. We will open a ticket for you, legends. We see you in the stock lounge. We'll verify your information. We'll get you all set. Congratulations on your 1 month VIP access. All right, let me look. Let me make sure. All right, we still have two of the diamonds left. Before I answer this next question, who's going to scoop it up? This is it. We're at the tail end of these. The clock is ticking. Well, listen, if you don't, it's okay. We try to run specials. We won't run this special, but we try to run specials where you guys can get other things. Don't forget, if you guys want to just get these individually after this special, you can. Every membership we have is $5,000 for lifetime. Otherwise, it's $2,500 a year. So if you want to just buy them separately, I'll take your $50,000. Mena, go ahead.
Coach, I just wanted to say thank you. I'll make this quick.
Yes.
I'm working on my fourth profitable month in a row.
Oh, wow.
I've never done that. I've struggled to even get 1 month of profitability. And maybe a month or two ago, I even had like what I would call a soul wrecking day, and I still managed to finish the month profit. So I've made a big turn. It's been a few years. I'm probably one of your early members. It's been a while since I've talked in here. But I want to say thank you. Thank you very much. And speaking of somebody, people keep mentioning sticking to it. Stick to it. What he says is for real. Stick to all those rules, especially the 1 to 3% stuff that will save your account, that'll keep you trading and training. But anyway, thank you very much.
Yeah, for sure, man. Way to turn the corner, too. I love that.
Great job.
Yeah, that's
Thank you.
phenomenal. Yeah. I love that. Give me 1 second. Yeah, that's absolutely incredible. What's your Discord name? I just want to check your account out, Mena.
It's a fresh out sack.
Oh, I remember you.
FRSH. Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah, it has been a long time. Yep, I see it. Yeah. Oh, that one didn't work. Tell me I don't know my members.
Oh, yeah, you do. You never forget.
That's funny. As soon as you said that, I'm like, oh, yeah. Hold on. Is this pulling up right? Moderators, we're going to have to look at this one. Because it's not working right. Like, it's not synced correctly. Hold on. This happened when we switched systems. Bear with us. Oh, okay. I see it. So you had multiple. Okay, I got you. All right, hold on. Let me see. Yeah, you're one of my OGs, huh?
Oh, yeah. I think it's about 3 years now, maybe? Something like that.
Yeah. We've been, August 1st was the official day. Yep. We've been here. Is that the only, that's the only membership you have, right?
I believe so, yes.
Yep, not anymore. Moderators, do me a favor. It's under Mena. You'll see it under Mena. Let's give him a VIP lifetime right now for Mena.
My God, really?
Yeah, for sure. Moderators.
Nice. Oh, shit. Thank you, man.
Yeah, we're going to take you from crawling to literally sprinting in here. And I'm not exaggerating. Coming from a premium to a VIP. Anybody that's in here that can attest to that, I'm serious. You're going to get about 10 times more training and information going from a premium to a VIP. Am I right or wrong, everybody?
It's incredible, Coach.
Yeah, it's
absolutely.
Yeah, it'll literally change your life. I'm not kidding. If you think you're finding success now, wait till you see what happens. Like, it is going to be night and day. Anybody that has bought VIP in the last 3 months, has it changed your life, changed your trading, you changed anything? Is there anybody in the room? Last 3 months, give or take?
Yes, Coach.
Totally.
Yeah, and make sure that if you can get your schedule to come on in at 4 in the morning in the pre-market. You'll get some training with Cheese, one-on-one type style training. It is amazing. We have so many people
That's
that
right.
are really learning the basics in that room.
Yeah.
I'm in there, he's in there, there's a few of us in there, and we will answer your questions. So
And we can barely hear you, Dawn.
Oh, damn.
There
Is
you
that
go.
better?
Yes.
That's
Okay,
better.
but I was
Eat
just
the
saying,
mic.
come
Eat
on
the
in.
mic.
Come on in at 4 in the morning. I know it sounds like it's crazy, but what price do you want to pay? Just like Coach said, if it's 10 years from now, if I say get up at 2 in the morning, but if you did that consistently and what you got out of that room made you financially free within the next year,
That's right.
all of a sudden 4 o'clock don't seem like much of a price to pay, does it?
Nope. Good job. So, Mena, I'm very proud of you for hanging in there. And I know, especially when you're OG and it took a long time. Listen, I told you guys, it's not going to be overnight. Sometimes it'll take you a while, right? All I ask, Mena, is that you do is you pay it forward at some point, right? If you ever are successful, set somebody else up with something like that, right? That's all I ask. And make sure everybody in here, when I give you a gift, like a $5,000 gift, I expect the best out of you. I don't give away $5,000 all day, every day. So I want the best out of you. That's all I ask.
Not a problem.
Thank you. Great job. Proud of you.
Thank you very much.
Yep.
Thank you, guys.
Yep. Can't wait to hear from you more. You're just going to get better and better and better and better and better and better.
I only expect that.
Nice job. All right, everybody. Listen, again, I've got a couple of diamond memberships, so please get over there and check them out. There'll be no more worry. It's a done deal. I've got 2 left. Make sure you grab them. I got a couple hands up. Alonzo, go ahead.
Coach, just for the people that are really green and new, I've been here for quite a long time, but I've had some family emergencies that I couldn't I'm not able to log in because of the issues that we were having. But every time you had a new promotion that came up, I would always make sure I saved up enough money to get it, even though I couldn't trade because I couldn't focus the time. But it is very serious. And we never bet the farm. You teach us even from way back when, so when you first started. I think it was in August when I had joined.
Yeah.
When you first came in, and you always said education is the key. If you don't know the terms, why are you trading? If you don't know any of this stuff, you have to learn the terms before you can even paper trade. You can go to paper trade. We're not chasers of call outs that everybody has. By the time you hear a call out, everybody's already been in. They've already did the research. They know what they're doing. So listen to Coach from the very basics, from learning. But like I said, it's such amazing on the stuff that you do, because I've been gone for about 6 months again, and then I'm back in again. But now next month I'm gonna do my first trade, but I was reviewing the information, so I have to retrain myself, because just because I learned stuff before, I have to go back in and do it. I can't just jump in thinking I know something, because I'm trying to have generational wealth for my children. I have 15 kids. I got 6 biological and 9 adopted. But it's not about that. It's just me. I have to take care of the family.
Yeah.
And try to make sure, because there's some stuff that come up, and I'm the only one. My dad passed away, my mom passed away, so I'm the only one. If I lose, they lose. So it's that serious to me.
Yep.
So next month I actually get to do my first trade. Like today, this morning when I was seeing you with SPY, I was in there looking at it, what I would do, and I tracked how much money I would have made. I could have made I think it was $1,900 just off the trade that I was looking at. So I don't say, hey, I lost out on it. I'm just saying, hey, I'm in the right. I would have been in the green. That's all I'm worried about, being in the green. And it's never going to be the only trade, like you taught us before.
Yes.
The trade that we do, just because you miss out, the fear of missing out, the FOMO. No, it's okay, because another trade is going to come up. If the market's bad, we're still going to make money if you were educated correctly, like you taught us.
Yes.
So thank you.
You're very welcome. And listen, I just got something crazy. This is nuts. This is something that is, and this is the beauty of the people that we have in here. And GC did this yesterday. And I didn't take advantage of it, but we've only got a couple, so this is perfect timing. And you better be fast when you do this. I promise you, the second I say this, these are gone. I guarantee it. I need you all to listen. You need to, I'm gonna set you up for success. Go over right now to AmericanDreamTrading.com. You want to actually, hold on, don't do that. You need to go over to, we've never done this. This is nuts. Go over to, The Stock Lounge. Click on the link for Diamond membership if you're even considering it, because I got something for you that's going to knock your socks off, and it's never happened in the history of being here. Right now, the next 2 people that buy a Diamond lifetime membership is going to get a one-on-one with Palm Coast. So if you want to talk to somebody who's making $1 million a month, Palm just offered this to me. The next 2 people that get a Diamond lifetime membership, you can take a one-on-one. And I'm going to go one step further because Nate offered this yesterday. If you want to get a one-on-one with GC over in our group, we have one of those available as well. So the next 3 Diamond memberships, we can either do a one-on-one with GC, who is over $13 million in profits now, or a one-on-one with Palm Coast, who's literally churning $1 million a month. We've never, ever done this before. Do it now. And I'm going to wait because I know those 3 are going to be gone within 5 minutes. And that's just because it's going to take you a minute to get over there, click on the things, and do this stuff. So I will wait. So I have 2 available with Palm and 1 with GC right now. I will wait. Moderators, let me know the second they're gone because I don't want them to get filled up. And then we don't have enough. Yeah, do not open a ticket. There's no time for that. Click on the link we just posted in the general Stock Lounge that Unhappily a Housewife just posted. No, it's not for people who bought yesterday. Thank you, though, Zenhard. Appreciate you. Love your face. This is just the last thing because we're moving the last products. This is it. Do it, do it. And if you guys are doing it, I'll spice up the pot. If we sell a 4th, you can get a one-on-one with me. And I charge $6,000 an hour. So if a 4th one comes through, I will give you the one-on-one. But I'll tell you guys when the cutoff hits, only so you guys aren't like, oh crap, I wanted to get a one-on-one so-and-so, right? So you want to be first because you'll get to pick. And I'll let you know as they go. So when you do it, say, I bought it and I want a one-on-one with, say, GC, Palm, or Coach. So we know and we have the count. It's first come, first serve. 2 with Palm, 1 with GC, and I'm going to be if there's some extra to make sure everybody gets a one-on-one. As soon as you buy it, say it. Immediately. As soon as you buy it, say it in the Stock Lounge. If it takes too long, I'm just going to have you open a mic and do it. But then you better be first because we'll lock it. And by the way, thank you, Palm. Thank you, GC. I appreciate you guys offering those. That's absolutely amazing. We've never had that. We've never had them do that before. I need you guys to understand that. This is huge. When somebody... Palm made $280,000 today. How much is it worth for you to sit with somebody who makes $280,000 in less than 2 hours? Right? He doesn't need to take that hour away. Do you understand? Yeah. Do you understand the value?
300.
One is going to be gone right now, Coach.
Okay. He said, yeah, you're at 300,000 now, Palm.
Yeah, 307.
So if you guys think his time isn't worth it, he's made $307,000 in the last 2 hours. You could get a one-on-one, right? This is serious stuff. You heard GC earlier. He's at $640,000 for the month. How much is their time worth, right? This is huge. So yeah, as soon as it's bought, I need to know. So the first person, when you buy it, we need to know, do you want to do the one-on-one with Palm, GC, or me? And then we'll block it out because we've only got one with GC. I can be the filler in between. Do it now. This is it. Never going to get signed. This is crazy.
I don't think Palm broke any rules today.
Yeah, this is amazing. Thank you, by the way. No, I don't accept Bitcoin, but love your face.
Palm's incredible.
I've
He
done it.
deserves it.
I've done it for people before, but I hate doing that. Let's see. And while we're waiting, Frost says, "Are you guys trading pre-market?" Yes. If I do not have a time for pre-market trading, how might I succeed only trading? Yes. Yeah. I've got a lot of people in here that made millions. That's how they started. GC is one of them. He used to you guys remember that's all he would do is trade pre-market. Right? So, yes, of course. If you're VIP, you're in there with us. VIP gets early access. That's 4 a.m. pre-market all the way through to the bell, and then, of course, to 4 p.m. Oh, I think one just sold. Hold on. It's coming in, and we're not doing... Yeah, there's no deals for this. So we'll be buying any diamonds off of a deal and being like, yeah, I want somebody who's making $300,000 in 2 hours and just give me a deal on the diamond. I swear if you guys do that, I'm just going to slap you. That ain't happening, Chief.
That one that just came in, Coach, was from yesterday's ticket.
Yeah, that's...
So you do whatever you need to do with
Yeah,
it.
that's tough. And it's a deal. So what am I supposed to do with that, right?
Yep.
Oh, my gosh. Deals. Why am
You could give him the consolation prize with the one-on-one with me.
David stepping up too. Everybody's stepping up. Appreciate it. You guys are awesome.
Well, following the rules. Talk about following the rules. 2-minute Evo. I'm sitting in my runners at 70%.
Yeah, and speaking of that, I mean, look at David over here, who is doing one-on-ones all the time. David is up almost $500,000 now. Hasn't had a red day in over 6 months. Like, that's, Mr. Consistency. We're changing your name, Mr. Consistent.
Well, we were talking about struggling in that Evo to the downside earlier.
Yep.
And this one was another 2-minute Evo to the upside, back over VWAP. We already had the super trend. We're above the EMAs. I was like, let's take it. Boom. I went in smaller than normal.
Yep.
And made another $700-800 already.
Yep, absolutely. Oh, okay, cool. Thank you, Johnny. I appreciate that. But we will. Hold on.
Coach, MLGO, your 2-minute EWO proof, almost 460% and still going higher.
Oh, nice. We are, Johnny, we are going to give you a free one-on-one with a moderator, though, which will be David, but we are going to do that just because he said don't worry about it. Give it to the next person. He's good to go because we gave him a deal on some. So he's like, I'll just take the deal, and I get it. Thank you. All right, so we've got 4 up to grab. If they're not sold in a minute, I'm shutting this down because I don't want to waste my time, and I don't want my people to feel bad like they didn't want it. So we're going to do this and it might be coming through. Let me check. Let me just make sure because sometimes they come in and we don't see them. It takes a while. Hold on. Let me look. No, that was the... Wait, what time is that? Wait, nope, it didn't. Okay, so here's what we're going to do to speed this up. Open your microphone if you want one, and then we're going to work with you to make it happen. Because I'm not going to sit here all day, and I'm not going to make my people sit here that have volunteered to do something that's absolutely ridiculous, stupid, right? When they could be getting $10,000 to $50,000 per hour, and they're offering you guys something. So open your mic if you want it. We'll work with you. Otherwise, I'm shutting it down. Go. Serious?
I love it, Coach, but I already bought a membership yesterday.
I got it. Thank you.
This is crazy, Coach.
Yeah, this is kind of weird. I was not anticipating that. Okay. All right. Well, that's it. Party's over.
Oh, I want it. I just can't do it.
Yeah. No, I get it.
Yeah, I'd be all over that like
I want it.
Okay.
Yep.
Yeah.
I appreciate it. Okay, so here's what we're going to do. I'm going to go ahead and sign off. Thank you, guys. Thank you to Bruno, Dawn, Miranda, Unhappily Housewife, Eric's Moto, David, Mark, Government Cheese, Palm Coast, Ange, Richard, Doug, Bucko, and Chris. Thank you to my media team, Ed, Nick, and my TikTok mods, Gilly, and Diesel Dan. I appreciate all of you. Thank you so much. Thank you to all my military family, everybody that's serving or that has served. Thank you so much. We honor and respect you every single day. Thank you to all my first responders, firefighters, police officers, teachers, doctors, nurses, and everybody with me, all my truck drivers around the world. I'll take it. I'll take the verbal. Oh, hold on. Somebody.
Coach, we have Patrick C over on TikTok that would like one of those.
Patrick. Better do it fast.
Yep.
And I mean now, because I'm not goofing around with it, because I don't want my people waiting like that. I don't mind if it's me, not people volunteering like that. I won't do it. Patrick, you got 5 minutes. If you need help, you better reach out. You better ask somebody.
By the way, Tesla is falling down again, you Lord.
All right, thank you. Yeah, Tesla's just tanking out. By the way, again, Palm, thank you so much, man. I appreciate it. You too, GC, if you're listening. You guys are awesome. I had both of you guys volunteer that. I was
Thank
like,
you, Coach.
Yeah, you guys are awesome. I thank you so much. I appreciate you both. That's really something.
Anytime.
Yeah.
Anytime.
Yeah, really
that's really
something.
cool.
You're welcome.
It's very, very, very cool.
From two extremely qualified people. That's awesome. And David also. Absolutely.
For sure. Yeah, it's amazing.
And just to say, anybody who does join and gets all that, they will get GC pre-market, just like a one-on-one, Palm during the day, and David Apple Chat, and
listen,
Coach in the morning.
Now
Get everything.
This is crazy, right? And it's okay if you guys don't, but this is what's crazy, is if you could learn, right? Because look at the panel that we have of the people that are willing to do a one-on-one with you right now. If you came in and you've got every service, everything offered, and you're sitting there with people that make multi-millions, what is that worth? I know Grant Cardone charges what, $250,000 an hour, and I make people way more money than that. Way more money than that. Am I right?
You are who you hang out with. You start
Yes.
hanging out, that's what you turn
This
into.
is a
That's what you are.
ridiculous deal. 10
Mhm.
grand for 10 grand in an hour. I would pay that to rub elbows with somebody that could help me. I'm not
Yeah.
exaggerating.
You know what, though, Coach?
Yes.
And I know Palm, he thinks the same way I do. We just offering ourselves up so we can help people get where they need to be, because we know once you get this training, it will change your life. You will not regret what you've learned in here. So I understand, but we just want to get you where you need to be.
For
and
sure.
We understand what you need. So
For sure. And you guys have
anything
been
we
there.
can do to help.
Yeah, you've been there.
anything we
You
can do
went
to
through it.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's awesome. Well, I appreciate it. All right, listen, I'm going to go ahead and wrap up. Moderators, you let me know if somebody does. We'll discuss it at that time. But I don't know. If people didn't jump on it, that's just too bad. So sad. It's okay. It is what it is. But again, I appreciate you guys. Love your faces. Everybody have a blessed weekend. How about this? Did anybody make any money this week? Open your mics. Let the world know.
Hey, money, Coach.
Sure did.
Made money,
Yes,
Coach?
yes.
Absolutely.
I would
That's
buy
great,
the
great,
diamond, but I bought it yesterday.
No worries. And listen, and we're just trying to push the last of the product. You know how that is, right? It's just like a flash at the end, move the last, be done, get them off the shelf. So, it's like slash prices, do the things, all the stuff just to get it done, because I don't want to talk about it anymore. I'll be honest with you. I pushed it so hard. Yes, I'm like, I don't want to talk about it anymore. I don't want to talk about diamond anymore.
For those that didn't get the advantage to get any of the memberships, Coach, they don't know what they're missing.
It's true. And it's okay. Listen, it's not a hard sell. It was literally just something cool that when, everybody was volunteering, I'm like, oh my gosh, I would have
And
jumped.
thank you, Coach, for running all these specials.
For sure. Thank you guys. I would have jumped on that in a heartbeat. All right,
And
listen.
thank you, Coach. I
Yeah.
just wanted to say thank you for the knowledge.
Oh, you're
I've
very
been
welcome.
paper trading, though I did some real trading with cash and I blew up my account before I came across ADT.
Yep.
But since I got in a group, I've been learning and I paper trade yesterday. I make like 5,000 plus, and today I made 4,000 in paper trading.
Yeah, that's good. And
But
just
when
build
I
on
was doing
that.
it by myself, yeah, when I was
Yes.
doing it by myself, I was just like going down in my paper trading account, losing, go up and down. But in 2 days now, I made green. I'm in green 2 days, so I really appreciate the knowledge. I'm
Yeah, for
doing
sure.
better than ever.
Good, man, for sure.
Yeah, when my hand reach up to the extent I can get one of the VIP or VIP Go, I'm gonna do it as soon as possible.
Yes, for sure. Thank you so much. And by the way, while you were talking to me, you just helped somebody out because I didn't leave. Somebody just bought a Diamond Lifetime membership. Zaya, where are you at? Or Zia, sorry if I said that wrong. So if anybody sees this,
anyone cares, MLGO is running.
oh, I see it. 500. Yeah, that thing's been a screamer all day.
Yeah.
So Zia or Zaya, sorry if I say it wrong. You let me know who you want the one-on-one with. This is crazy. Could you imagine walking in a room and there's us four standing there and you get to sit with us for an hour? That's ridiculous. I love it.
That will be intimidating.
It's kind of cool though, right?
Wait, we have one-on-ones with more than just David right now?
Yeah, if they buy a Diamond Lifetime, GC and Palm and myself is going to give them a one-on-one. They get to pick.
Oh my, that's a lot of power, Coach.
Man, it'd be a hell of a good time being in that room. I'd love to be there.
All right. Love to be a fly on that wall.
Yeah, that's crazy.
I want a one-on-one with Christina.
I mean, you know what's really nuts? I mean, if you think about it, if you combine the wealth between the three of us that you guys would get, is just, you're not going to talk to
Coach, did you hear that? I'm famous too.
Yeah, you are.
Coach,
Yes.
I know you gotta go. You've been trying to get out of here. I just want to thank you and welcome my good friend Senhard. He signed up for Diamond yesterday.
Oh, nice. I do
I
remember
mean,
that. Yes, Zenhart. Yep.
Yeah, amazing guy, amazing people.
Yes.
He's also my client, so I want to welcome him to our group.
Absolutely.
He really started following us.
Yes.
And yesterday he calls me, he says, I'm just going for it. I said, do it. I'm here. I've been here since May of 23, 22, something like that.
Yep.
And this is going to be amazing. And I didn't think he was going to go for the max. He says, no, that's how we want it with Coach. Go all the way. So welcome, Zenhard. Thank you, Coach.
Absolutely.
Thank you, Bruno.
Absolutely. Didn't you make a couple bucks off that one, if I remember?
$3,000. 3,000. And I'm going to invest every penny in here again.
Yeah,
I'm just going to move up my membership.
Yes. Oh.
He did already.
Yeah.
He did reinvest it.
Yep.
Oh, wait a minute. I guess I'm not wrapping up. I got something kind of cool. I told you guys, right, that my son and his new bride wanted to go on the live to thank everybody. They're on their way over now. They said they want to get on the stream to tell everybody thank you for those donations. So I'm not getting offline.
All right.
Zaya picked Nate. Oh, I almost messed up myself. Government cheese.
Sorry, go ahead. I missed that.
Zaya picked government cheese for his one-on-one.
All right, so government cheese is gone. So we've got 2 palms and 1 coach left. Love it. Love it, love it. Give me 1 second. Okay, cool. Wow, that's kind of cool. Kids are going to roll over. Yay. You guys will get to see my son and his new bride. They're going to come over to say thank you to everybody. Is that cool or what?
It's awesome.
So cool.
Awesome.
So cool.
Is the honeymoon over?
Yes, they only took a couple days. This is
Not for 3 more months.
yeah, this was the legal marriage, and then they're gonna do the giant celebration one in Morocco.
Gotcha.
Yep.
Cool.
That's gonna be fun. Those people know
at a party.
Oh yeah, it's gonna be a big one. Yeah, but we put the kids up over in the Ritz-Carlton, and they got to hang out for 3 days and have some fun. So something small, but my son's
That's nice. Something small. Ritz Carlton. That's pretty swag.
well, I
That's
mean,
nice.
like time wise. Yeah, it was a
Yeah.
5-star. Yeah, we went all
Yeah.
out. All
Yeah,
paid
those are nice.
Yeah, all
They're-
paid expense, everything. We gave 'em money, said do whatever you wanted to do, right? I didn't want the kids to be spending the money you guys donated to them. That's their nest egg, right? I told them that you just save and you hold on to for emergencies or forever. You know what I mean? Like so anyways, yeah, they had a great time. They went to a bunch of cool stuff, so that was awesome.
And gold members, we're gonna delay the gold breakout room for this. So I'm gonna push it back. I'm gonna push it back. So don't go in there looking for anybody. I'm gonna post a message in the gold lounge now.
Okay, awesome. Thank you.
Push it
Thank
back.
you. So I'm gonna stay on for a couple more minutes.
What's your daughter-in-law's name?
It's Aya.
Oh yeah, okay.
Yep, from Morocco. She's a sweetheart.
The homework, coach.
What's that?
We got homework.
Oh, we do. Dawn, what was it? We talked about Johnny Dangerously. Johnny Dangerously. Does everybody remember that classic?
My
It
mother
is a classic.
Once.
Yeah, my mother did that once.
My mother called me
Yeah.
Johnny once.
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 Knock down that wall, knock down that wall, and knock down that farting wall.
Farting wall.
Yeah. Here, I'm going to post it in the membership lounge. Hold on, doing it now. There you go. Bam. There it is. There's your homework. All right, we got some hands up. I might as well go through these. Oh, Fra, you already, I think you did. Maybe not. You got your hand up? Did I talk to you yet or no? Go ahead if I didn't. Fra, bra?
Yes, okay, my question is, I don't know if it is basic question, but the hard stack picks when we take, how do you like pick it? Like, is it depend on pre-market?
You mean how do we pick those hot stock picks?
Yes.
So basically, we're looking for a key combination of things. Usually it is higher volume, either a news catalyst, a small free float. We're usually looking for a small free float to go with it, unless it has volume. We're looking at the percentage of how much it's grown in the morning. And a lot of times we might look at the market cap depending on how big or small it is. And we use a combination of those. And since we do them every day, we're pretty good at looking at them and what is going to possibly run for the day, right?
Okay.
Yep.
Yeah, because I'm currently focusing on small stocks. That's why I'm asking. Thank you.
Yeah, absolutely. Nice, nice. All right. So we're just waiting. Be a couple more minutes.
Coach, while you're waiting, we've got 80,000 likes over on TikTok.
Oh my gosh. Thank you guys. That's
And
incredible.
a special shout out to Colton Farr. He's always in there helping out, hitting those buttons.
Oh, nice. What's the name? Colton?
Colton Farr.
Let me look. Hold on a second. Colton Farr. I see you. Hey, Colton Farr, how about you get a VIP membership today? How does that sound? Do me a favor, moderators. Grab this Colton for me and give him a $500 VIP membership for a month. How's that sound?
Coach, that's amazing. Thank you.
Yep.
Doug, get with me in the ticket. I'll open it.
Colton Farr, thank you for being here and supporting us every day. We appreciate you. You are awesome. Thank you. You got it. You're very welcome. Come over and join us. Come over and join us, man. We're excited to have you. Nice, nice. Doug, did you have your hand up or was that it?
Oh, yeah, that was it. Sorry.
All right, no worries. I was like, oh, crap. I don't know if I answered that one or a different one or... Thank you.
What's your thoughts on Apple, Coach?
One
Up in the
second.
triple top.
Let me take a look, partner. Let's see. The previous day high was 246.78. Oh, yeah. No, I like it here, brother. It's staying up nice and tall. It's above the double top. You can see that it came down and it already retested, which was right here. And it's, I mean, look at the trend, right? That's a beautiful setup. As long as you stay above this 246.80, which is nice because now the 55's there. But as long as you stay above that 246.80, I love it up there. You just want to make sure it stays above the double top, right?
And if you zoom out on the 5-day, it's breaking out of this long channel finally.
Yeah, that's good. Yeah, no, it's a nice setup. Let's look at Tesla, still a dumpster fire. Let me look at SPY again. SPY is still below VWAP. It never came back. I'm gonna you guys do me a favor. I'm gonna go let my dog out for a minute before the house gets crazy because she always wants to go nutto butto when my when my son shows up. She turns into a damn puppy and tries to break her hip and acts ridiculously crazy. So let me go let her out real quick and I'll be right back. And then I will have the kids on here and they can talk to you for a minute and we'll go from there. But until then, remember, you guys can scoop up those diamond memberships. There is still 3 available. And if you get the diamond membership right now, you can get a one-on-one with Palm Coast or myself. Literally, all you need to do is get the membership. Just say in the stock lounge who you want to do it with, and we'll get you squared away. All right, I'll be back. Just give me a minute. Moderators, you have control of the board. Thank you.
Hey, Richard.
Yep, I'm here.
You got anything for this Friday? Because if not,
I actually do. There's only
Okay.
one play, and that is NVIDIA. I can tell you if this thing pops above 140, ideally like 140.50, there is 327,000 contracts on the call side. So that means it would be what, guys? What would you be looking to enter?
What's at 141?
Puts, yes. Puts one step in at 141 or 142 if it's there. There is a heavy amount also at the 141 at another 200,000, but I just don't see it anything close on the put side. It's so low, it's 109,000, 162,000 on 140 and 139. So for some reason everything's kind of thinned out, but that is the one that it just jumps out. So if it gets above 140, again later in the day, watch your delta and stuff because you want it to be one step in, and it would be a put. That appears to be the only one. And we looked at Tesla, we looked at PLTR, and I'm actually even looking at BABA. So, but the one that jumps out huge, NVIDIA, that 140, you want it to exceed 140 call up, and we're at 139 something. So, but that is the Friday play. Again, watch the volume as it continues, but there's a lot of people that want to put it up. There's nothing close. They're not going to let it get above that. 140, 141.
Well, Richard, I was asking for a gold breakout if you were going to do something.
That's
what we can talk about. But thanks for all that.
Awesome information. Thank you,
I was
Richard.
just letting him go. Just like, go ahead.
Just let them go. Yeah, I want to hear these guys myself.
If you got nothing for gold, I'll just go over something today. We're gonna look at indicators today. So
yeah, that sounds good. If you want, I can join and give support. That's no problem. I'll do that.
Yeah, that's fine. That's fine. Yeah.
But we're gonna do that about what time then?
Well, let's see if these kids come rolling in.
We can do it right after they leave. Say, okay, guys. Now
I scheduled it for. Hold on one second. I scheduled it for 1. Yeah, I reschedule everything for 1 so that way people don't accidentally go in there and start clicking links to go in. So, but if it's sooner than that, I'll let everybody know. Say they're out of here by 12:30. then we'll adjust it accordingly.
No problem. I'm just always focused on that Friday. Fridays.
No, it's all good. I'm trying to have some type of agenda for each gold breakout, so that way we kind of know where we're at. If somebody wants to have a topic, let me know, and we can run with it. But this Friday, I thought it was appropriate to talk about indicators. So
Bruno, can I come in? Can I come in, Bruno?
I don't know, Nate. I don't know if you keep killing those squirrels. I don't know. You know, like if you got squirrels in the backyard again.
You still killing squirrels over there? Must have Lucy over.
No, I don't have them over here. It's gotten cold again, so they hibernating. So
let me tell you, it was. Are we still live? By the way, we still live? I didn't even look.
Yeah,
I think so.
Yes.
Hey, Bruno, Colton's in the stock lounge, and
Yep, I already added him to the ticket.
got him. Perfect.
Yeah,
Thank you.
I added it. Just make sure that's the same Colton.
Mm-hmm.
So
Yep.
I got 0921 is the username.
Yeah,
Bruno, I think I'm still the host. I might need to move just to somebody, ain't it?
Yeah, if you can give it to somebody that's gonna still be here after I go to gold, that would be great.
All right, Palm, you gonna be in here?
Yeah, go ahead. I still got.
I'm gonna move it to you, my man.
Some trading to do.
Okay. I'm gonna move it to Palm.
I gotta give credit where credit's due. Nate has not shut down the meeting on everybody.
I sure did. I just thought about it.
Getting them all trained up, aren't you, Bruno?
Yeah.
He's learning.
Hey, can I
he's
get you guys to go over something while you're in here? Because you guys seem to know this is coming. On Apple, that earlier in the morning, it had a huge red candle, and that smacked me pretty good. But you and Palm seem to know when those are coming, and I'm trying to learn this L2, and I didn't see anything that would be that kind of a pullback. How are you guys seeing those?
Palm sleeps with the candles.
You're crazy.
I can't see knee-jerk reactions on the L2. I mean, I can catch most anything, but I can't catch those. Palm will probably know better than me, but I can't catch them. Those knee-jerk situations, I just can't catch them. But I can tell when I need to make the turn. I can tell that, but I can't tell when they gonna come and hit you in the face like that.
Yeah, the candles kind of are the precursor to that. So yeah, I gotcha.
Yeah.
So would it be the wick off of that candle before it, because it started to go up green, and that candle formed that big in literally like 8 seconds. I mean, it just, I didn't really see anything that said it was going to pull like that.
Well, today that you're talking about at the open?
Yeah, about 937, 940, somewhere right in there.
That one is a strong level from yesterday. Plus, it was previously strong, the 246.75 area. So if you look back at yesterday, I think that was actually right around the high of yesterday also.
And that's what I was going to throw in is your resistance and support lines, especially your gold lines, are huge clues that can go along with your L2.
All right, thank you.
Sorry, David, for jumping ahead.
Did you have a stop in there?
Yeah, but it was kind of the 2 minute, and it hit my 30%, and I was in a little bigger than I thought I was because I was in the wrong.
Right.
I got in a little more in the money. I'm usually one out of the money, and it smacked me pretty good. I don't know if that one was out of the money when I first clicked on it and was waiting for it to kind of, because I let that wick settle, and then it started up green, and that's where I entered again and thought it would at least test that, and I wound up being a couple in the money. So when it dropped, it smacked me pretty good.
Yeah. Yeah, that's what those stops for.
Don't feel bad because I took a loss on my runners in that trade, and then I made that plus some more on the second or the second 2 minute, which was to the downside. Struggled through that one. I think the highest I sold a contract in that second play was maybe, I think like 18 or 19%. And then so this third one, which is another 2 minute EWO, I got in it right at when we broke above VWAP. We got the 2 minute confirmation. We had already had the super trend, and so this one was the one that made the day. And I'm sitting with the runner still at 70, about 75, 77%. So I took that exact same trade you did. I might have gotten out a little bit earlier because I knew that that was a critical level, and so that's why in the Apple chat I posted that that was a critical level. We needed to watch that one, and so I was doing the same thing. I was waiting for. I was technically trying to do a 2 minute EVO, and so with that big ass hit on the big red, I took a hit on my runners that I was still holding on to. So don't feel too bad.
That actually kind of makes me feel better. And like I said, I was just in a different, I wound up in a call that had like a 89 delta. So when it dropped, it got 30%. It hammered me. But that, that is what it is. But I was just trying to see, and yep, when I look back, that's definitely I entered a call on a big resistance level. So that's got it.
Well, and like Coach says, if you're just going to start out with the basics, make sure to always have your pre-market highs and lows and then the previous days. And so for me, that one was one on my chart, and you could clearly see that yesterday, I think it was within a little bit of a range where it was technically like a double top yesterday, maybe a few pennies in each direction. But if we know that it's right around that same area, we got to play it a little bit more cautiously.
Yeah, looking back, anytime it got close to that yesterday, it pulled off hard.
Yep. And like, so right now I'm using that as support. So it was a rejection area yesterday a couple of times. It was a rejection area earlier. Now we finally broke it. So I'm using that as my strong support. So I'm just letting this last one just bounce around. And as long as we don't break back below that 246.75, I'm still holding. Even if it does break back below that in the next 20, 30 minutes, I'm sitting at 80 something percent right now. So I'm still going to be green, even if that does pull back and break that level. And I've got probably another 30 minutes before I got to wrap up. So I'm just going to sit here and watch this last one run. And like I said, it was a $128 contract sitting at about 230, 240 something right now. So over 80 something percent. And technically it's about 100. I think let me see, it's floating about $115 in the profit on a single contract.
So I got a question for you. If it is going to, for the gentleman that had a question about the resistance, see how Apple's moving right now?
Yeah.
What level are you going to watch for?
I'm waiting for it to break the 250 and hold, and then I got a support at 248 or a resistance at 248.13. So I would wait.
You mean 247.50?
Yeah, that.
Okay.
See,
yeah.
so right here is where it's kind of wicked. I would probably sit here and wait for the next candle to form and see which way it's going.
Right.
If it starts green is usually where I get in, which is what I did on that last one, and it hammered me the other way.
Yeah. On that one, yeah, like you said, we didn't get a confirmation above that 246.75, and that's how it pulled way down. So take that into consideration the next time, like this next setup, it's going to do probably pretty much the same thing. What I've noticed is Apple, a lot of the 25-cent marks, 50-cent marks, and full dollar, those are the heavy areas.
MLGO 620.
Check. Microphone checker. Check.
We were just talking about following the rules and beating the dead horse with Apple. 97%, 96% on runners.
Nice. I got a couple of special guests in here. Hold on a minute. Let me pull up the video feeds. There we go. You guys on live can see us right there. Yep. This is my son, Chad, and his new bride, Aya.
Congratulations.
Can't see it.
Congrats.
We can't see behind the chart.
Can you see it now?
No.
Yeah, they're back there in the background.
Oh yeah. Yep.
There you go.
Hey everybody.
Congrats,
you guys.
Congrats.
Congratulations.
Hello.
Congratulations.
Congratulations.
Oh, congrats.
You lost it on the picture.
Congrats.
The best.
Move your stops. Move your stops. Yes. Congratulations. Thank you. We just
Chad Jr., don't be afraid of the video camera. Come closer.
Come closer.
Let's see that pretty little face of yours. Come on.
Well, there's a green screen.
There
in the
we
way.
go. That's
I can't
yes.
move closer
Yeah.
because of the green screen. But
She ain't scared.
So when we have a big get
Congratulations.
together, is it possible that we can have Aya make us some Moroccan specialties?
Oh.
Oh yes, with pleasure. I would love to do
Ah,
that.
there we go.
should make everybody shakshuka.
Yeah, I've made that a couple of times.
Yeah.
Shakshuka. But yeah, we would like to
You got-
thank you from the bottom of our heart. It's like an extended family. It's the generosity is amazing,
Yeah.
and we're glad to be here with you guys and meet you face to face. And
As face to face as we can be.
As much
Coach
as
is
you can
wild.
be,
He
right?
looks just like you. He's just like standing over you.
Yeah, right?
It
It
is.
was like-
It's
yeah,
so
like
oh
this
my
younger
God.
coach.
Yep.
Beautiful couple. Before and after.
Thank you, guys.
Congratulations.
Hey, Coach,
Yeah.
can we all learn to say one word in her native language?
Oh, there you go.
Oh, yeah.
You ready?
all right, well,
Mabruk.
Well, hold on. Here you go.
Mabruk.
Congratulations, Chad.
Thank you.
Mabruk aleki.
Everybody, I'm in the media
Shukran,
team meeting, but I
shukran,
heard you
shukran
guys were
jazilan.
on, so I had to pop over and say, hey.
Dawn just rolling over people, just running.
Yeah, what is
Sorry,
that
I'm
She
word?
doesn't
sorry.
even
Jumping over
care.
him,
She's
Dawn,
like,
that's for you.
hey.
And he
So
said
girl,
one
hey.
word,
meetings
okay?
and one
Yeah, I
nobody's
want to
supposed
know
to
what
be
that
over here. I'm
word
supposed to be in
means.
this meeting.
It means
But I'm
congratulations.
like, he's got who? What? Oh, cool.
Still doing it.
Congratulations.
She's
I'm
still
sorry.
doing it.
Bye.
She can't see, can't hear.
Mabruk aleki.
Ray Charles meme.
Yes, it means congratulations, and I responded by shukran, which means thank you. Shukran jazilan. Thank you very
Rough
much.
translation. Thank you.
Yeah.
Hey, Coach, he doesn't look like your son, but she looks like your daughter.
She
Sorry to
is.
say.
She is now.
Yeah.
His son needs the AI. She does not.
Hey, I was rooting for Morocco in the World Cup.
Oh yeah, I love the
Yeah.
Moroccan team. It's great.
Yeah, it
Coach,
broke my heart when they lost.
Real,
I know.
real
Yeah.
quick, your screen is blocking your son's face on TikTok.
Oh, there we got it really good.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah,
I
she
see
really
it.
good.
Yeah, she was
see it.
some Mabuki.
That's because you have the digitizer on.
There you go.
Well, that's
Oh,
the way
they-
you did it.
Are they shy?
There you go. Yeah, it's
Well, you
'cause
guys are
it's-
adorable, and the pictures were beautiful.
Thank you.
Oh, yeah,
Coach,
she
you and your
was-
son are
Congratulations.
twins, man.
Yeah.
It
Thank
is
you, guys.
amazing, isn't it?
Oh yeah, she was some
welcome to our family, you two.
Oh yeah,
Yes.
she was some Mabuki.
Congratulations.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Very
there's-
cute
It's an honor
couple.
to be part of it.
There's 300
Congratulations.
people in here with us right now.
That's amazing.
And you've now inherited a bunch of psychos.
Yeah, jeez. Bunch of crazies. All right, listen, we're gonna take off. My wife just made us all a bunch of soup. We're gonna go down there and eat. Love your faces.
Nice.
Everybody having a blessed weekend. Make sure you guys watch your homework. Appreciate
Coach,
you all.
Coach, can I qualify her real quick?
Yeah, go.
Yeah, she was some Mabuki. Oh yeah, she was some Mabuki.
So what?
Say it again.
She was
Mabuki?
some Mabuki.
Oh, Chad.
No, Abuki من مصر.
من مصر. أنا مش من مصر. أنا من المغرب.
Oh, okay. Welcome to America.
Thank you.
Oh,
You
that's a
guys can
beautiful
talk about
English.
it now.
Oh, okay.
All right, thanks for trying. Hot
Yeah,
potato.
yeah.
Thanks.
Now hold on a minute.
She's-
Now listen, that's a rough translation. Now you guys know You guys know what a good translator I am, right? So
Oh yeah.
what that
what they say.
now?
We heard you speak Mandarin.
Yeah. don't cancel me
I
now.
will never
Listen.
let you live that down.
Yeah. The loose.
Wait, listen up to him.
Yeah, the loose translation was, get your butts over there and get that Diamond Lifetime membership. That's it. I'm
terrible.
out.
I was
Bless you
just
guys.
practicing one of my 7 languages.
Thank you. Bless you guys. I'm out. See ya.
See ya.
See
See you, Coach. Have a good weekend. Love your
Love
face.
your
Thank
face.
you. Love your
guys.
face. Appreciate you guys.